election but we saw key members of the New Patriotic Party who participated in our elections. And the question I want to ask this afternoon, let us say, Anya Biano, 1 year echo violating the decision of the New Patriotic Party not to participate in that rerun. Is there any disciplinary measures? This afternoon, we are set to have an engagement that is going to be more revealing right here. And I know my good brother, Uncle, he's also seated. I love to call him Uncle. He's also here. And of course, our good brother also here, emanating from the New Patriotic Party. So we are set to have a great conversation this afternoon. Remember, this show is live on Facebook. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. You can go over there and watch and also remember showing live on SOMPA 106.1 FM Techiman, and again live on SOMPA 101.1 FM Fakwa. We are also live on the multi-TV Jiggerbox. So if you really want to participate in this conversation, multi-TV also ukwa dia ubehu SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. You can bring your comment on Facebook, and of course we'll be reading all those comments to you. Also remember that if you want to join the conversation at exactly 5, you'll be dialing the number 0260 196064 0260 196065. Now, Oswabaka conversation. Remember, this show proudly is brought to you by the Candace Kavesi of 21st Clinic, Medimafo Herbal Center, Dr. Time Daso, Hajia Special Local Foods, and Electroland Ghana Limited, Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. They are proud sponsors of this particular show. What happened at Ablekmanoff rerun? Ebusia ayayaba penyim bakwa na oyekanim rashebedweni, and of course the Minister of State Hawa Kumson, I don't know, said Ghana ha say kung fu fighters or Ghana ha. I was shocked. Minim say Ghana ha say kung fu fighters, somebody to jump and then go and head Hawa Kumson. I don't know why all these are happening. Yeah, bisa say and you know, for a warm memu ways, you know, then on by. And clearly, me, I don't blame the NDC, because the SC Ayawaso West Wagon, where a sitting member of parliament was slapped, Sam George, during the commission, the kind of ML Short Commission. What did he say? This afternoon, we are set to have a great conversation right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But the Abochie says here. Na yakwa hamano ni yakwa kodin ko bobi sesia ora Michael Addy wono secretary awuku Senya East and sabre ameno kasai special aid to Hawa Kumson yakwa hamano sesia na ni dedin ko na ebisa no sese aso they say Hawa ho te sen minia Michael Addy yama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country jubedi so.
Na
pacha pombo kore.
Obo dia da remane mo mpae bo.
Na ase ukasa iwo for me.
So me ya say juma e dia onu mi say. Ya sha safety na pay up to now dia break akra be wo. Nti e be na ma voice for me. Anya be ma.
Yo. Na edi kan ye be bisa say aya wo boss. Hawa Kumson. Sabre no what to say.
But I said, I'm share with you for Obisa, me say, man, what to say. You need to catch you and say, about the other man, I'm on Bible. Me, a whole year, papa, I'm no Casa dear. Or Gina Homey, I will feel. The man, who you pa.
You, Minim say, I some see, you know. I don't know, because you are a special aid, you know. Na uwo hobiana.
Without you, say, Obisa, me say, missy, you know, say, a whole beer. That be a mean so many me a catch and me say, yeah, the usual muka cry, I express say, a dear course, you know, a dear, NDC for SPG ye almost share that tenancy except ye say ma meba ablikuma no free runner and the young fat ne ho encheno enti ye yeso yetimi agada so far ni etan say enye say omo plan ya and the omo message mo the entia assembly we no leading government officials our social media handles bo mrantie na baso edumokra aka say mrantie no kra anya ade esan say semia omo hihye ye esmo omo say omo go to anamo no enye saa na omo go to saa anamo no nse obisa ya e dey hu say a calculated attempt by the ruling government to say omo attack ye maame na empu so omo nya kunya na ka omo agene kwa efininsem but na kupo enti so omo nti no ma metimi fa ne ho di ya me no ka se di e ewo ho.
Okay, so what kind of leading government officials at the atuano social media pages aya hawa kumsen dan podium di ye no sanka omo gene kwa fininsem a anka ayade a womo de omo bu bejo so na one social media handle and omo trust asem no guye
omo ya bebre leading officials the social interviewer yanyaba hanabisiu grantee ya assessing kakra according to one podium say the omo ye maami hawa kumse no or the san say na no ono na adwemu no ewutu fenya east omo NDC organizer bi wo no ma mi abonetuo ekuno na so menia no kura e fere no kura bi eni sa asem ya yenia ba hanabisiu agina media platform ya okaye na ye de ka ne say te asem okaye no nim say no kura ye de no esa challenge do say omo aba abemu 6 months ni enenti no omo ndi sa asem nechi na enfa no kura entry be dia no kura that on nim say asema oka no eye no kura uye onu so fi ho a voter regional minister yemi abema difaguno onu so e won the social media page or say I am not happy because the boys poorly got the job done. It is a city regional minister can't asem way on its social media handler that's a well orchestrated your friend say attempt to say on the assault honorable wakumsi honorable also can say in the past when you bought wakumsi dia adia ba no anasa so the radio na otie reporter our kumsi din bata ho a na violence related but na the radio say honorable wakumsi and the first ever minister ever kuma ultimately facilitated the procurement of over 300 ambulance at the mine or my intimina debre empo ebumukra can say the omo ye di kira wa kumsi me de rehearsals on the kwa wie ewo akwetia intimina so bisa me say leading officials ben asem na American ma wo bo modin e de amamo in fact one of your national officers you check na say kira say a buying official our national service secretariat can say the mranche ye maame no na omo bo a ballot box no ho buy but tell the crowd you can say ejuma no omo ko ye ni ye ntino abranche no ko attack ye maame no se si ano the 5k and the 3k mranche no ono abranche no ko design to trust them no ono ye omo commander to see a it be no be say na de metimi aka e de afa stage attack here omo ekoye eti aye maame hu eno no.
Okay, I don't know the esino ayade aye akwetia by elections here e ba beba so yi how akumsen ene ne dom ebekọ ho ana
ni America asisidia say nyame ne pe na odiye kwan cheye na electoral commission din se be to ho say enwa behia say ye ko akwetia by election ya maame ha wakumsen ebeko akwetia akoye campaign akoye campaign di ama obi biara MPP be yi ni say ono ena obetumi agi akonya no e di ama MPP no
but this is between life and death. So is this not a warning to how Akum say bia no wetie obi nan so wo baby e wo kwan bone so enti we no akwa it's going to be a different story.
Menya be ma no kura woman no say obi ade tia wo na onim say adempo a won kofo ni trimu ni e na omutu ho anamo a wo a e say wo da wo so enye saa enti say ye hu saa ma me be wura akwetia na so obeda ne ho so papa
sa o ka so obeda ne ho so a kwan be so no befa so obeda ne ho so
obeda ne ho so pa me nia enda me sha obo aka sisu dia say akwetia ba election no ma me be di mu akotre pa na okwa esa say dia to no e wo ablekuma north ne nti no ma me be bo ne ho ban papa
maybe so ka say ma be nyabotre so ka say ma me be bo ne ho ban papa dia na che so okwa wo de etuo e na ekọ because what we saw at ablekuma north rerun no ye hu say oyi pepper spray and also idea or no they bought the whole buying but no angel and this time around you are talking about another buying board. Then it means that it's going to move from level 1 to level 2 or level 3 where the level 3 could be very disastrous.
The wakane the una wachira wajin enya me na make but the me pese ote any etie tie ho ase ene ne say ma me bewura akwetia na owura akwetia obewura akwetia in grand style esan say the two ma me e wa blekuma north police for year ahyehan a say anka enye pepper spray ama me kita anka e bia na ye ka say ye nko ka say ma me hu yo na mo aka be ka say ma me enka atiasefo ho enti ye njimpini entumu say obi betimi esi any law abiding citizen who say or your political activists no on to me enko ye e friend say political activities or person in who jimo you know so the see wa kwatia ablekwa no fo no e ya ade a ye di bo ma me hu de omoboa e san say ma me nyo obi a obetimi intimidate no onye obi a obetimi aka na ahye ma me ko ablekuma north elections no asobia odimretia okọ polling station bebre ansana the assembly see ye no esi find out say the dia ma me ko ye ansana assembly see ye no okoye basa dia na wan koye report bia ni wa ababontin a kire say ma me ko ye ekoye basa na mo mesan say NDC for slow our kum sinti and omo ye de omo ye e wa blekuma no
Michael
slow na ye betu anamo e wa kwetia.
Michael, you are not mean a person than a constituency secretary for Ewuku Senya East. Ewutu Senya East. I'm asking. Now, the Awoki Kakika already is with you. Obi Tiewa. Obeka say you are trying to incite violence ahead of the Akwetia by elections.
Oh, minya okasa me no onya agin. The American say ehu abehia say ye beka no kure akire ye ho ni agi no kure na edi asan say ye beka aka ye ho kakra before enne ye ka ablekuma north ho semsemi na yakọ reponi akota lansi akoten ama nyama ensen fata ye ntimi nka no biom ewo wahoma iso esiye ama party for retaliate ye ewo ayawa so west wogo ene in summer NDC for coming na centered around ayawa so west wogo abro mo refi say before you do ayawa so west wogo no na yakoten yakotreponi akọ talansi ani nyinara by election and NDC era.
Okay, so is that supposed to mean say Musumoko ko retaliate ewo Akwetia by elections now?
Oh, me can't say kwa retaliate.
But that is what you seem to suggest.
Yeah, because yet you want to say, send your man make call Ablekuma North onimu say, or kwa boa ni aba ekwefie ama nkurumbia be any dia NDC for ekoye di omo ye kire no maami ada ne ho so it is ora akwetia onima na mo obetu a NDC for entimi meye die omo ye no entia no ewo akwetia diom because you say the pada se ni ke uja ho na ye bo asum ba ko na so onye hwe na uja ho na ye bo asum yenu subima oho na nkofo beka se na sebi waje no eye ejuma na
okay
ka ne se akwetia de ye be po maami be re akwetia aye campaign from start to finish na ye hye obi biara o tie ewia we bo se ye see ye ewo Ablekuma North abla maami nda ne ho so no tesi a maami be da ne ho so ewo akwetia
okay
it is obi aye na adwin se oba no wa cha da repeat Ablekuma North ewo akwetia CBU.
All right, so before you be jawa mo akokra no ye hu say the interior minister Muntaka e de ababe tudwa say woni yes ha nyambrasem ni nyina no ade a obema emrane ne sankrofo ni nyina edi na I don't know with how akumsen de no then aposi for no ka kire no
oh ben ya sa asem ne de me see de dia ye dru no ehu abehia say ye beti ya wan say issue press release here issue statement for the optics, no? A thing of the past. As I say, one of the reporter, another one of the releaser, police for the Bonte, say, the course no more present, no more general, I do more journey for their life, no. Almost to me, it's a key any arrest there, and into the general public and more. Na Yankees uncle for no. Meanwhile, social media circulations of pictures are. Anyone more dita nyamasem no ewo bebre ni shop say wo no make say pictures no wo bebre it is a police for catch say mo muaye na ya nchichi sankofo no na ya ni omundi a ya ni omoya age enye yie eye for the optics send e be ya the general public don't say police for to anamon bi but the question no say omo to anamon bia because they have been implicated in the process binia.
Wait, Nyabotre, mami. Me bacho Michael Nyabotre. Who kachire who debi Nyabotre, Michael Misrel. Etiefoti. You are telling me, say, the police have been implicated in this violence, Ekoso. Your friend is saying, Ablekuma North rerun. Is that what you are saying?
Oh, no, many of them are. As I'm course, when be journalists, colleague journalists.
No, it's a serious statement. No, it's a serious statement.
And I make a child say, "Wow, only make a say, me so a journalist."
Yes.
What was I me say? Say, journalists omo yo omo juma e wa Ablekuma North without any provocation. No, police for attack you.
Okay, so because the use of the words one more implicated is too serious a word. So let me find out. I'm asking you. A crime bench na police for no fire. Na what we implicated.
Back and forth me say. Elective violence course Ablekuma North unless the police have been implicated. As I said, divisional commander Juma was Adenta, divisional commander. Without any provocation, ethnic or board journalists assume because of the journalists regional.
So is that what you call the implication?
Oh, I mean, what I'm saying. Ablekuma North elections na ekoeno. Police for anamomutu ni nyina no eseweni ojitumu eya ofe eni ntino Ghana Journalists Association omo release omo di babonti na omo kate police for no could have done it better no who their own kind na.
It's a question I'm asking you. It's a question I'm asking you.
Say ojitumu na me kate o say police for ankasa no their hands are not clean in the political violence a course Ablekuma North.
Okay.
And they are open fata. Minim say onim. Omo mo tie ne so di tumu say police for an conduct omo hu yie. Ewo Ablekuma North run ya koye no.
Okay.
I say di tumu. E ka no kwento ya won say. If any for be wo man mu a and state agencies be wo man mu a Mini tax money no. And I say tax almost 3 years busumu biara no. And I am resources are almost the deal with you.
Okay. You're fine, common in see. You're fine, common in see. But there will be so be say. Now I don't know how I come see baby on be a pepper spray. I want no yeah fee.
If I told you say
me say obi be say. That I don't know how I come see baby on be a pepper spray. I want no.
Oh, me now can say I don't know. Obi be say baby I know about come to be and be a pepper spray one one. Now you are also not being truthful to the fact.
Because the person says that it means that one kasano onim se boni bi betimi esi. So he is prepared.
Oh, catch me say leading officials are omoye NDC mpanyifo no. Are you not aware say enye boni wo a oni make say wakoji license gun. Okita pepper sprayer. So far as I offer in the bond, what is wrong about that? They can assembly on me can say they be assembly see and ya one amount yako other police stations are what monitor processor or be a crime or be a crime with a pepper sprayer no. Now the talker says and can get the presence of pepper sprayer man kita and kadia a 2 man no. We are sure say
okay, so it means that pepper spray no and a save no.
Be a weapon or the protecting so far as it is in line with the the security provision.
All right.
And I don't think say Okita idea or the ball who buy idea at Yamra.
Okay.
I am here to come across any provision. Say so Okita license gun. Now be a crowd belonging say ABR, the debate in to the debate in Asia. Oh, more by the issue of that. I don't think a man get up a space for the no start. All
right, me that say.
Maybe I'll call ABR or either the space. Into what it means is that a better make our man from start to finish.
Okay.
Now to say the in here.
Own you.
Also own ye.
Okay. Michael Addy, my friend, come on and see. Forgotten country, that's say. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Good. Michael Addy, a constituency secretary at the is it Ewutu Senya East, and then special aid to Hawa comes now to say no aiding komo. But that said the medical catch the water. Ya wo yenu bema ya papa ya dinina. Because when I was somewhere in the year 2008 atijo apia dimpa ablekuma nofwa ho ana ogina ye my to aba edema no na menemu ka say he's here in the studios ona ojo apia ye wa kwa aba
papa
na pom to say
adora kwa
bibia cover there
papa
but you're still looking good though
say adumo
because born 1959 there 21st December now odasote ase now ugina so say there 66 wow having served 2 times in Ghana's parliament. I think the 5th and the 6th the parliament of the 4th republic. Yama kwaba se say nkomo ya me di sesi ya no with Hawa Kumson the way ni su ne the ban so tie ye hwe eye kaswa mpotam wa nkomo bi e besisi ye twemu na amanfo allege say why say wabuwe watwitu why say you being an astute member of the New Patriotic Party and a former member of parliament because she was also a member of parliament you know what would you say
you ichiete for nyana let me first about SOMPA FM. I'm studio have papa.
Yes, studio. I was say hi. El bosso pa.
I have pa.
Good.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Yo, me give this special technical side and also woman or I want come say somebody your parliament you know na or you're very forceful you know. You'll be a 10 be away or if you at the floor of the house crap or making the message in the submission the floor of the house crowd will say power kakra. It has been her character. That's why I know her. Okay. But yet in a violent way. What do I say? In a violent way or sray or no dink away be But let's forget about. I mean, the sea war, Senya, Utu dia, yet the Obusa Sierra no, and so it is alleged, and so be British sea. But you see, yeah, to tear mind. Yeah, to tear mind. It be feel say, Diakoba Yinara, in the interest of this great nation of ours. I ain't in a Ghana center of the world. They go put him the Ghana higher the center of the world. We agree with you now. No, they be to her. No, what they are able to cry. So rich in natural resources. Oh no, you didn't tell me DBC her. It is some see, but papa. In a way, no. Now, Becca said 2 wrongs does not make a single right. Said the sea war, Kasua. Any day sea war, I also was with God. Because those days, pa, what me my office side where your friend saying, Abrochi. And we are kete. People were slaughtered. Say in the party say Abrochi those days.
Can you recount the year?
It was around 2009, 2010, Mubako. It was very serious, very violent. That was beyond human recognition. It yet chill my Papa de me can say, subject the bonus. It is not correct. It doesn't make sense to me. Why should a city MP be subject to beating? Wrong. Why should
Howard Kumsin
so subjected all the way I say WWE for no where wrestling. What's put the card now about tower so this one sir as also where we are not so we near. This is what I saw there, which I think it is we have to condemn all.
So you were there?
Oh, I was there. That's a former member of family. I went around. But me drew or no the Nico, but me around so it was the notion me feel saying nake hu hia. And for come some mess had they must bend their head in remorseless shame. Enye fair. Where born nya wo susu koye bia na. See them mama na BCU parliament. He's my only very good friend cry. And whom you also from Miniku. Me penasempa, but she was said you would the year no na way to crack it. Me feel that it was a reckless statement. He shouldn't have even said that. They for body chair. That is the way I see it because you chill mine. What you say? You chill mine. You divide yourself. You na ba Uber Parliament and the people. You marveled. You na back. You do your one to say a drusi kasam de do bo an emiri na nakabako.
Edus Kasam.
Oh yes, and
yeah,
Kabu.
NDCMP.
They become
Edus Kasam was Munamo.
Baku. Demo Obia Sobia the political ideology.
Yeah.
But Kasam will be a more money in Baku. This is the way I was expecting second Nabeko. To the extent say, would you be free to oh Ripao?
You show video now. Your friend Sarfo Kantanka. My video, no, your video, no. Nah, my man. Because Aquaro with the mojo. With the honorable
wrestling.
Honorable the hill. Basis here. A honor battle. But your mom will share on Facebook. Won't go Facebook now, Mokoe. Here, baby, Aquani dear Bricado free. Wow, here, over two. What will be?
No, heading no both from.
Or both.
As I call this supposed to be a next one.
But I'm surprised why some people should be happy about this.
That is what I'm saying. It is wrong. Absolutely wrong. Why should you be happy? It is about my mom and I couldn't see who you are. Who didn't be a free moon?
Can you
free moon? It is never who buy. See the Papanisi Kana, yeah, especially as stand they cannot. We say, or make it so reckless with me. I have not doing now with the same party. I'm not happy with it. So born who buy here. Over Shen Husuye. That's the right where they say go use. So I come see bar over Hen Husuye. Now Uba here Bibi Sadesa also is citing Bisebia. Also the also the trio as you already said, no, which I think say it is reckless. Yeah, building of mine. Either in your back, the more money calling him. That's we at the end of the day. If you hear the whole Africa, Ghana pen the only country as you were papa. Apart from your small year Koswinan, you will peace for this country. Other countries it's so bad. It is sremo. Ye Koswidi, you condemn. What the guy is saying? Say be on condemn. That president so condemn. And now ye the white people come president. I not do. One year no. Chumko. What didn't they call? They can say Bombay. Papa, you say. Upeti said, Mimi na me call that me call see. But this uncle for say, hey, young call you up, you na buju up. No say, hey, and this for no. Who go say call na buju up here. Obi wa try a break no for her. Ye na only na yes. We no be answer.
Are ebi mu yes so mo beba oswara.
Oh, boys ba could be some no mu be interview. Na me kasa. Oh, go you hey, don't.
Ah, why no? One of the boys.
One of the boys. And okay say, hey, don't touch this young man. Papa wait. Obedi MP has said you be a trouble be anyhow. Only a cry a fight. To Omanye Bibisa to the sense because all the police should be every place but be that's review. Become coach police for be change this for no mummy or maniaji. Obu before maniaji and this is so be so be any. So why this our comes didn't quan a cover problem by?
And some people are happy.
Some people are happy. Which is wrong.
And even some officials of the New Patriotic Party, they are happy, but they cannot come aboard.
They are happy say abodo.
Aye.
Are they? Papa Chamasia.
I
be happy say abono.
Udi nkomo we jira. What you say? Oh, they are very happy.
Wait, me TV da. Me TV da.
Now udi say our manyoku bi emu no we have people ono be ba ka se basere badobwa. On pe wase. Those are the people I'm talking about.
Okay. Say me krobia bensa wo. The fa this ah.
Also krobia den.
Bensa wo.
Debi, yen kan say.
Yen kan say.
Mensam. Krubiana akakabensam wom.
Na mensam na akakabensam it goes the same. Mensam there because
there be anya mensam.
Oh, okay, let me that. That you go to do. What's the issue there? This mensam was say a mensam wom. Good.
But say within the party though, me who say won share and active sir.
Be active and you say there me na me ye campaign kakra. Why? I know it's in your blood. You can't reject it. Eti wutu nkasa wo free mu kra me guso I'll chance here free program so omo free assembly for the free PT don be kan that kind of PT when they call me I can when they don't call me I just set my place and do my campaign that's all eti me yes me active we
are very active because the search I did on you no children say you are no longer an active member of the party
but in a quiet way me nyende kese mo bi who say
oh, go with the power. If you are free, you want to sing.
Oh, no, yeah.
What an attempt to sing.
Oh, that's some be anyhow. So be Timmy. Oh, be Timmy. And just
by just 10 votes.
Yes, so be Timmy. I didn't so on a black man of war. Delegacy, no more quiet, any better more, and no pana. Ya ofufu enua ne bayi dokon na bronu ye ba kese ba ko se meso bodo make bitu anu a edi 2 days of fridge mu komani ba no ahwere nyine dai be ko ba no mu ti na tongues na laba lebe
na ye
bompa ye rababa sen so we di ba wi ni awie Sarfo Yehowa oduma manya kupon radio to me delegates no that delegates
what to say
oh nyasam ketua isi ba wi ni awie afeye koya me na makowi ye radio asivini ana bi je ko na betra mi fi da be me ho bi du me oda bu nyami o bi su butri su bu ko
but
fear delegates
Sir John
slap da si no mo ho sa mo ma srom sa be so want to say ona bu nyafi fa chebe that kind of thing yeah fine
sure
it doesn't mean say want to bounty no that's why you enemy be bad see you na kasa be why fe
yeah
what you say be MP crack be won yefe sa it na so be sure who see na what do nyankopon de wo budi nya wo di so trebiase now don't nua that is the ultimate I believe in that kind of thing.
But were you surprised say mo party no ebe boa eye ekwe free ewo eye ablekuma free run as against the wish of the national executive committee of the party say omo de beto abonte say aso ablekuma north
yeah, they said it's omonko.
Yeah,
because the news said this will be the outcome. The news said this will be the outcome. It's almost omonko. It in the Korean Sufi because already a stronghold in Tino. There says by simple majority. We don't want crowd winning. It no Nufi say what she has done, what the people are demanding. You know. But brother, let us be honest to ourselves.
Okay.
What happened with the electoral commission and Toby Asumi?
The electoral commission.
Oh yes, because we said 3 polling stations. You came to parliament and said to parliament MPs, you know,
on the floor of the
house, say I got 3 polling stations pay. That technically free LED kakrebi. Whether 411 or branch 361, that kind of thing, nobody knows. It is urban son, no more to train. Never so give ne body saying 3 year casa can crap all the 19 police a big crap on him.
For the record, 414 votes. That was what was put to a year.
How the
winning.
So 414 votes to the winning. I cut 3.
Let's make that.
There be allegedly. That was that was what they said. No, listen. That he was leading. He was leading with 440 votes.
So we need to make us say.
Okay, thank you very much for the correction. Thank you very much.
You see. Uncle Tam, no yagin say me.
SOMPA FM.
During the time na MBT NDC by almost 28,000 votes. Difference.
Yeah.
28,000. So why even 400? Papa, why even 400?
That's the problem.
That is it. Maybe some
question.
but 30,000, maybe 28,000. Difference. That's all. 400. Senior.
But we are just told, say that omunwie a friend is saying collation. So as at the time, na womo aya na aka some of the pin sheets as you are saying it's about 3 no dey that equal free was leading by 440
that is
votes.
It enti no kayan koto treno because he came to the floor of the house to tell the MPC say aka trepe emobi enu say trepe daka afia ko that sorry I was 19 automatically. So the National Executive saw say what was happening, no, it is a cooked team here.
But would you suggest to the National Executive Committee to punish party members as against the wish of the National Executive Committee because they had truly disregarded the decision of NEC, which is bad. Would you suggest they punish them? The National Executive.
Oh yes.
I didn't
say any panel. Look at what has happened. Just friendly panel. Are you sure they were able to call a free party in the National Executive Party? A free but transfer. Adi and found 2 nights. Because one you sana.
Many a divine. Edin Komo, the Greater Accra Regional Chairman of the
Divine.
And he tells me, say, before I arrive at that decision, a queer free the research team, no, they were present at that meeting.
No, wrong. As same way, national issue. Papa, what I say? National issue. It is divine some cry. The chairman of the party and the executives, no, including the region for no share. Oh, but me a queer free. Dear Kono, you feel say you quite behind and co. Now, would the advance buy you say, a much letter bar, and my boom would say, you are not participating to the election. Also, feel say, I break one of your stronghold. I told you about winning. The 2 of them, no, I think they didn't do it, but I'll blame the National Executive Council. They should have called her and talked to her. Dear, this is our stand. What's that? I can't say. They see that the 2, no, on person repeat to you. Niemo, they are near court, near say. Whoever wins, no, who are winning. In the man also, when you that pledge also the quiet. If you say the National Executive, well, now, yeah, I should be a die party. So, near trust near your party, ye, no party in your corner. Now, take this year. Obiang will say, yeah, this year will take here. No, it is the interest of the party. The party now grow. Now one from meaning and transit. Now the member now the Quran say we are not going to participate. It doesn't make sense to me.
So, what do you make of the current national leadership of the New Patriotic Party?
I wouldn't sit here to say I'm condemning them, but Obia who they are also.
Oh, then Obia who?
Oh, say because say Biani say El Kotu Abeya, it is and Sem Siaba. So what I am saying is say they should revisit everything. Be Biama Biara. Me catch us at me. So thank you to no Mokono Melinho.
Oh,
yes.
Thank you to that.
Oh yes.
Reason being what?
Reason is say
yes.
Any partner or my peeved no I MVP for no. What you have to do is say go to them. You know their houses. You know their workplaces. Papa Utie.
Metiopa.
Kona ko buko to get pomo cho say paucho. And never say anko yenti ye paucho mo fanche. Kable one of the kwakobu yes akranka. There's no way I get this maybe in society.
Oh really?
Oh yes. The one ye way in na okota u tanki one or tanki no. E di pono I peeved no. I want to abano. We crampo come on almost obonto. I went run swallowing amuyesa mutaba in the was one about the be
so honorable Joapia, you feel say aye queer free you na wodi no. It's as a result of party manododo na MP ankwankoto aba for the rerun.
Yes, they didn't go. I went round, I saw them. Me constituency. Me so what them koto so na boye koto ya bre the faculty and semebre. Enti no this now no who call thank you to thank who thank you who edi pani ya wo ni mu eti what you have to do is divide yourself, go to the various homes. And I mean that time maybe short time ago me na omo say I say BCC be kofi obi na buko to get papa chow.
The information we also have over here, and they say, Akakwe say, the current crop of national executive members. I remember having a conversation with the now acting chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Chairman Buti, who happens to be the first national vice chairman. As some of the two, they say, all the national executives, including him, also will be resigning.
Oh, committee here.
What's he?
Committee here.
Okay, you say the president Kufoso Akana Nancy.
And one misses you, and as I'm fancy the brave Massa to the point, sir. I go craft you at the initial and no cross minidi, many with that stage, and think at least a young mammy to be. No matter about comparison, more young near Mabinum say, Niako Dronana, Namanya party maybe. I think I met me to any Mifamo. So Ghana political party, political history. I can't say UGCC, but if you 47 and 69 Buzia time, nearly powered for Ghana. 2 years, 3 months, Buzia time. Me, 69, maybe 30 years, and be a member of parliament. Be a founding member of Progress Party. 2 years, 3 months, Buzia, I am deputy foreign minister. I jump on 2 years, with them sick. The team and number the Sarfo prison with them 1 year, 3 months. Something that day, of course, move behind another detention. But I know I'm here, the build the year. I jump on 2 years side. You are more power, pure adapted till 2001. Me, I'm a crane of departing by power. Then, the ability to say, a young woman.
What did the President Kufuor
say Yawumwa? President Kufuor say Yawumwa. What's the meaning of the thank you talk? What are people questions here? What's the meaning of thanking who?
Akako said the national leadership of the party, no. I am paying for ONG party this year, no. Taking decision, they don't even consult them.
When can one say here?
Adinja.
Oh, we hear me. Say they know what is happening. Party be here. I see a transi. Ni papa Kufuor. Oh yeah, pay also the penny adwe.
But do you think, sir, the current crop of national executives, you know, Womodaso party ni Gio Musio no Womodaso twa Ejumaso in the next electionary year?
You're talking about they have to be there. And it's only the food doesn't change his mind. You're talking about town so yet. So now, no, next year, I'm time so.
But you say, sir, it's only a fool that doesn't change his mind. Yes. Meaning that I was saying in the next elections for the national executive positions, you know, they would have to change their mind.
Well, I agree with you at times, so well, I don't know. But
you feel that they must all go?
Well, I can't sit here and say they must all go.
I
don't know.
You are a member of the party?
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know whether they are working or they are not working. I would say sit here and say and praise them.
And you feel that you are happy with it?
No, they have to come. They cost to the NBC and one of that way. Eto executive don't trust aid that they cost you. What would you appear about some past station? Because thank you to on crack a woman here. They hear some coffee, Munkola de chow. That is what I'm saying. Mukopanko like chow, say a pabucho. Next say a bad, you may need be sremo. And the Janet did money nam. What do you say? Young party ye. That is all. And I could for crack, I say. Almost Salana. Who am I to say, and the other a friend saying, more for no. More for no, doors no. Obi a libra, the rebe me son. Uti, the rebe me son. Obi a would 3 and 4. Say 12, a caliber on yet 13. Or no kuto fever, or no cotet you. Wow, so ye, chairman of the local council, our year minister also vote about coupe. The grassroots to know in here. Grassroots to know to pretty the grassroots to now convince one. Say they are covered. Yenyamani kademo, you better trust there you remember here. We need to say.
I was here for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. My guest today is Honorable Joe Appiah, former member of parliament for Ablekumanov. 2 times on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party and the Menini Edinkom. In the next 15 minutes, we'll be done with the interview. But some have also said, when you look at the party, said yeah, Nitibia ETCC, Sabuko elections are, you have your internal security. Do you think, the party as it stands now, Rantia, now Omobom Hubaino, Wabra Moko, elections, you know? Sam Rantiano so Kasa. Do you think they have to recall those boys back to provide some internal security?
Papa, internal security is very, very important. And this is for no your own baby. They are very focused.
NDC?
Yes.
Or we are focused
on that security work out for the mechanic. Look at your band.
I don't say disband.
Yeah, this band no yeah, this bad they don't know. And look at what has happened.
So the NDC is more strategic than
that. Is it. And to also did answer by Obianka say, oh, far a ye first security now over disrupting elections. Name play field. We NDC new MPP new Sebi Moon talking about Mofantun chain. Near Ma Obia Jing Uncle Twaba. That is all that we are looking for. Etike Basano. Nanka sai Azoka boys so almost waba answer.
So now I'm saying who Azoka boys no be ewo Ablekumanov. And you feel say mo party also so vigilante groups so some maintain you.
Of course we have to maintain them this time there. The way I call it there, we have to maintain them.
The vigilante groups within the NDC.
Jesus Christ. What are you talking about?
Almost party paying for the DJ.
Oh, they say you fear some, you make a yasso. You did it, you cry, some me to this year.
Also, over the
DJ. As you for you, my baby. Pose your child to be car. As my ba. What do you say? It is said the judge did not buy, we have to talk to them. I mean, NDC is strategic. They maintain their people. That is why all this is happening. The GSC or PROF for a while. Yeah, we could talk. Master Giranche, who say Giranche, Omkotomato. Yeah, come to be a Kutokwa. Sakotia Bekui. Nase, more NDC for the vigilante Sako. Near see a call, you call without any vigilante, you think say, a Yasa Papa. And Yasa Papa. And the way dear, how should you have, Master? Yababe Trouba, Muninaha, Omkotomano. Do we know we need? Assembly nice simple. Papa, assembly nice simple. It is the time. I say a security, you know, papa. We can't go to elections, because it depend upon national security. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Everybody, they sworn not policy for our commission say, be doing for those who be uncraving a prior European crabby.
A policy for
now, be uncratchy,
but going forward, would you recommend, say, a security in terms of police, a bino ediba to monitor some elections elsewhere? No, so police for the Yinano also will cry into a true.
Oh, now we call UK, now call USA. Police for the beard will be a true to Bakuba. And obeyed. Who quite Africa to this guy? It will be what now
elect on the election grounds.
That is it. You have to arm them. Obianka so about to but the question is that you have discipline.
Honorable Joe Apia says that opposing for deploy more to cover elections, they must be armed.
Of course, you have to armed that because those guys who were coming, they were armed. Now who police who police in here found elections. No be create that won't create you. Who will come home? I said,
the course war a Ablekumanoff rerun. No, a police for no more, but no musum. Fear. Not even prior, community prior. Boys, you see, cutlasses in your bundles, Jesus Christ. He will be that. Oh, yes. At the full glare of the police.
Now, we're a bit tracker. Also, we in Chilo, but I show home. Oh, we in Chilo, show home.
And who be?
Maybe some maybe
I said they don't describe it. Oh, my son.
I said, be down for no more.
Oh,
me pino there. I had me pino. Oh, me cousins was said be a shower for cry. Don't be feed.
Wow.
I shall form back honorable. The most of Mutuye and a faculty. I'm saying the most bossy. The most of the we charge the moon. I mean that kind of thing. We charge it too much. We charging reasonable. So be about those and the woman movie crowd, they come to me.
Oh, okay.
They come to me. We office there. I want to go every. We say no one rules or something. 4 rules was four rules. No 2 pay.
Okay, but that's on your bed.
Hey, who will be? And you don't form so you know 2 hours. Or so you say 2 now customer crap. You see, but jet to the crowd.
All right.
And they were just almost sacra. And they really, a lot of them stopped taking this win here. Until at the end, who did that on normal? We know me fight.
Early Congress, National Executive Committee decision endorsed by the NC, National Council. Oh, debut. I say
on the 18th.
On the 18th, na muko annual delegate conference.
On the 18th, na be daddy. Well, 19th. Say
I reported the 18th. And I because 19th. Okay.
The 19th, we will take a further decision. It don't matter. No, just said no.
But in president for me, no more dim come over if you switch. Let's say, that early Congress, the deal is sealed.
Is it in the interest of the friend saying the Supreme? I mean, of the whole
the law,
and
the constitution of the new party. But who said Jogate cry castle me? As about Jogate, Air Canada say. Amendment procedures within the new patriotic party, a idea flout the amendment procedures because some amendment be according to the constitution. Actually, say before I move any amendment, amendment clearly 2 months it must be communicated to the leadership, and after that 1 month it must go down to the base of your party, the regional executives, the constituency executives, and then one year I was but and that he's not happy with it. I think it's Article 18 of the new patriotic party's constitution.
Yeah, exactly what he said. I also agree with him. So the mention I say, early Congress the year. Early Congress the Obia because early Congress the no boy. Who do train 1 year so you flabera. Why you there cause see Obia pe flabera. And the way you come we know we can go without you can wait. Oh, and you fair into early Congress no at the amount of time to heal wounds. To give it time to heal wounds.
And to also support early Congress.
But of course I'm supposed to
31st January 2026 proposed.
Oh, 31st January 2026. I am saying,
it is too early.
It is too early. I said, Bafongakra. At the bed, June, July, Crampoa. But 31st January, the next, I agree, some of the we are. Me want so your wounds to be a sea healing. I believe in early Congress, but not Yenya did not be a Kubatoni.
So, who is best fit to lead the new patriotic party?
I don't know now. Bamia is there, Kejepon is there. Jogate is there. Jogate is our baby. You catch him.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. A friend say, correct Japan.
And then a friend is Dr. Brian Achampong.
Fine gentleman. No doubt about that. Fine gentleman. It's one about you know.
But when it comes to the party structures, I don't know, chairmanship. In your next election, who do you hope say can the chairman of Mana can a crap party? Because when you look at the NDC, Johnson they say to get here, Oma issue directives. Ubondo, Ubeda Wako. Wako say, the current crop of national. Obia more.
Me the kai friend say, Papa will say,
Papa Ben.
Oh, a Jaco. A Jaco no koye national chairman.
Watch a Jaco.
Where Jaco? 1 pound question.
Hey, the guys are many dig about this is total nonsense.
Total nonsense. O make you on purpose. O so wo ku drose bema. Odo ne me de make die ke odo no ko 100 party ya. Inti we wadanfo. Wadanfo pa. Wo bra to be chairman. Aye.
Uncle Joey, but the Akwetia by election, best candidate, if you say, young far a year, Bema, Ernest, Kumi, Nieri, Mbejina for the NPP. And I said, some people are also saying, I must say,
a friend saying, Bankesim Dena. Ma'am, you didn't koye. Yeah, koye did.
And your friend is saying, I was West.
Yeah, about your opinion area business, and your monarchy, yeah, Saturday. I must see, Mimi, I must see.
Who Pamasi?
Papa. I must see.
I didn't.
Oh, I must say, so about parliament. And I go base.
I must say, base.
Yes, in Akotia. I don't need Kumintemun and your friend. But you did say the party structure. But
I said they were canceling only Kumintemun, your friend.
But for the said they changed the or TSA answer now. Or to be or call parliament. I think they were nice. But they because nature being aware, I see no. I ain't granted no necessary penny for no corner. Could see.
But what else for say? Party lady Amasi.
On me support to the papa between me winning massive labaye. See, Jay, when see a year to trust and be ambem, not police here very professional. Dear to me, I'm on par, no shed any year pa, dear. There's no way I must agree with you.
Okay. Gotta come on, see, but there's one thing that I want to find out from you, and I want your opinion on it. And oh, yeah, sir, we share a by elections, any elections I quite draw. Do you think, sir, as a nation, we need a body to do some level of some sort of reconciliation? So that we are going forward, you know.
Very, very important.
Very, very important.
And we say our cousin,
the special aid.
Our cousin, and we are so be a fast. Jacob now they do. I don't say.
But you think that we need a reconciliatory body?
That is it. We did it.
Or some where compensation is due.
That is it.
Compensation is given.
Very important. Enyapa. Eri come mama how I won't cook akoti. Obi anko anything. Obi anko anything. But on fine. I mean, oyo oba on mama man ko koye. What I say? Wabre. I salute you. What I say? On ye.
Around you up here. For God and country, SOMPA 106.5 FM. We are very grateful for it. Every time you're welcome. All right. I was from a Prof Abochy Sabri. And you be trying who abasisia. That you try who ba my in-studio guest. Benamoka say Womo Ayet Crado. I don't know. Producer, finish me with the list. 1 year Abado, they are already here. But I can see my good brother, brothers over here. So we are going to be back after this break.
Techi manufui Electroland abeja near the money I'm a punning in our swabo. Wait, Thursday. Tuesday, 10th April 2025. Brian showroom for front e wo Kumasi Techiman Kwana so.
Yedi Roma sorry dino. And that's a backside Nedia Nimshe.
Rabacha with Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any ama papa kahuni na. Now when in baby, it can for baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it rabatadie, kahu na senyao.
Kweku, minim sawa she. Me krama nane. Now so ebony show one embasso.
Malihon Sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but also got as a condom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abaso bo magye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 Next 21st clinic still woman is sciatica expert.
I was avoid my Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Just gone by Honorable Joe Apia and I to say no Edin Kobo. But my in studio guest, Medomoka say one Athanasi Uncle Ebu Ewaha Ebu Backman, an astute communicator now with the movement for change. Uncle Ebu Makwaba. Always looking fine.
Yes. Oyadum.
Abbas Banedi.
Oyadum.
Adum.
Aziban. One thing Mama Mitcham growing up in there. I eat what is available.
You eat what is available.
Yes.
No. And that's how you're in, bro.
I eat what is available.
Okay, good to have you here.
Yeah.
And then my member, Roger Wells, Akwaba, National Communication Team member, NDC. Roger, what you say?
Obadia Daroma.
Always in suits.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle. It's a
your love for suits.
Yeah.
Good. Lawyer KK Sebe. My Kumasi man. That is say. Yeah, but you say quote because of the strategy.
Yes, we say we back on am no doing go say minti mention.
Ah.
Ti na me share back kwa be kire.
Wow.
Minti mention kwa be na.
But you've done well. Slimming, taking good care of your health. You. Abusia form patro ya ba se sia ba me call David Kobo we. Endpoint homeopathic clinic aso asere kese pan na wi. Ready for God and country jubadie no ebrewo. Baby wo biaro yare kwankra dokro ache. Oji nwenje chese wa yare campaign abusuafo nyina ya pu ba me patro ya nyese abusuafo no obo ya pu abrabo ama because oma bre patro ye abusuani na o tie me na wi na odihye bi a campaign na se mabamu ye bua mfa erenko endpoint homeopathic clinic yade a njujuye a ye friend stroke enu de wo ma chene te empo pe so we oba fefru be ma wo pe se Otimima oba efefru endpoint homeopathic clinic wa hrawa obrebom bema ojunso ajunso na emba chese yare kwan bomodin para for we chire endpoint homeopathic clinic nampono per physiotherapy sections they provide all these sessions. They can also do the massaging for you. Bomodin from 0244 867068. Again, read them on 027-423-4321. Na ushisho more and crying ha. Wamecha kwang ewo Shell signboard. Sprinters Road. Kumasi, one more chronom abwe here. Kumasi. That's where they are. They are a proud sponsor for God and country. Ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM. Electroland Ghana Limited. Minimum gazette dollar that form. Electronics buy for 4. Me ba cho so pe bia to dia bia obekwa obenya original na ebetimi abo ye pa ne de Electroland Ghana Limited, NASCO product, media product, Samsung product, TCL product, all the products you can think about. Electroland Ghana Limited. It's a TV now here, air conditioned fridges, washing machine, kettle, rice, any electronic gadget. Because I come for Electroland Ghana Limited amount. Now go to a deal about 15% discount. And what you know, yes, I watch it money ye. Bombarding na for Electroland for 0245949495. Again, read them on 0245949495. You show more Sunyani Mankasim Cape Coast Stack right there na Tamale. Our Techiman, woman backsword, lady share more. Our main Kumasi station, where Kumasi will more Castle Junction, Third Junction, and crying a dental barrier, Dansuman runabout, industrial area, Biani Malcolm Plus, Lady and share more. Ediani Diabedi Pa. Babinia Uncle Ebo Backman was on there on said the baby said Mupa. As answer me original Haja special local foods. Hey, I'm a near Haja special local foods. But I go from do nyon tola. Me ba chopo modern national boy. Haja special local foods for I won't cry ha. One more hachu. Atomic Road, Bia Bang, transition from our home. No, Ediani Bia who pay Biaro, promoting Panafa with each other, say a Bankuni tilapia, new Kumanquine, Tuzafi, Wache, jollof rice, HSA, any food you can think about, a Hajia special local foods. Now, Pono Uye birthday party, your wedding ceremonies, and now when you year, and now Uye gathering, be away here, be away Dianiamawa, a Hajia special local foods. What have you been Diana? Who say now your ingredients or the Adrian or tomatoes are pro the Adrian. Debbie original come pa woman Juma Fiano pa no watch a copy menu no watching payment the biarada na upesoni on a din como Facebook, TikTok, Instagram a Haja special local foods from 024-6359-921. Again, read them on 053-5484-392. Haja special local foods. Ediane Papa Fiedo. Medimafo Herbal Center. Hey, Dr. Tem Daso. Medimafo Herbal Center. Dr. Tem Daso. Hey, gentlemen, can you bear? Bombarding pa yare kwan cross the debia mekano no. Sir, idea. Why ya trawa? Dan your man shed enko ye mawa. Ono dear was all the time at the atoso. Or the time pa at the atoso yadiero. Sempo ya mujabroso, wahrano brebum, infertility issues. Sempo a chronic diseases, yaren wakwa and koda, typhoid and malaria. Dr. Time Daso Medimafo Herbal Center. Call them on 0244-774282. Again, read them on 0500-727-215. And crying Ubohuamo Pukwase Maira Kumasi Bwakwagogo Biana Government School Nidin Shedemo. Dr. Time Daso, the Lord is our ultimate healer. Abochie's voice in the next minute. Abochie's voice and Abede Bremwe. And it's going to be on nano elections. I call Sufiada.
SOMPA FM.
Ewo Ablekumanov. The rerun, that's what I'm talking about. Desi Ohono Ayadia Encheye. It didn't go on well for me. Now, I'm saying, what would say yen soon, Navy? Uncle ye and Amfamau. Uncle ye Amfamau. Obi ma me. No be a two kung fu fighter. ana or wrestler mpo aminim kopem mame e de aboho in the full glare of the Ghana Police Service. Omo ntimi anye ho hwe. Yentimi anche anumaba mpo. Very disheartening and very, very worrying. But the New Patriotic Party on the other side, almost the same. What is the New Patriotic Party saying? They don't have any moral right to condemn what happened over there. The New Patriotic Party. They don't have any moral right to go condemning the SC or Ablekumanov rerun. Because the SC or Ayawaso West Wagon 2019 by-elections, you know, what had happened, and a member of parliament, Sam George, was given a hefty slap. At the end of the day, we had commentaries emanating from the New Patriotic Party in support of what happened over there. And today you are here condemning what is happening at Ablekumanov. You don't have the moral right. And I am also pained by some public statements made by public officials. Dr. Hanabisiu, Sam George, and the likes. Being happy about what has happened to Aya Mavis Hawakumsen. They should know they are public officers. And BBC says, Sikrana, you don't have to come and say, you are not even pained by what has happened over there. But now question me who say, I have the Minister of Interior at the Kratar statement about one thing. Our catchers say, one more go this anyam bransamano, a yadia woman in the bedi, woman is uncle for the bedi. The law will take its course. But me ameti hey, meaning say, it is just another statement that will not be backed by any action. What happened to the Emil Shot Committee's report? What happens to that report? The recommendation in there. Your man penye the white paper also. 1 year yes, in some phone, seven previous ano. Wamu she amount for some. I remember one name that came up double. Sabrant, then the year. And in that report, the president then, Nanado Dan Kwakufado, His Excellency has said, say, there were some near maybe I see here. The report did not capture it. So why are we doing this as a nation? When it is the NPP and it happens within the New Patriotic Party's era, the president and his government would cover up. Let's see what has happened now at Ablekumanov. Rerun. Enkonkosi baby. So as a nation, what are we doing to ourselves? And you heard the constituency secretary for Ewutu Senya say, Wabo Boamu Ako Ayeden Akwitia. So what message is he also sending to the NDC? Is that supposed to mean that Akwitia Abekoro is going to be war between the two parties? And the Abekachre NPP ni NDC for. Ye journalists are yes ramo. Se do brese mu ye wadia. Mamu mfa sanka any journalist. And I'm so happy about the policeman or bo a GH1 journalist na sumuro. Say police are coming out and he's on interdiction. But ye share baby assembly bukakosi. One day I would be very happy. Say Ghana Journalists Association Becca say no media house should go and cover a year elections. No media house should go and cover. Because when you go at your own peril. When you go at your own peril. Say NDC for Nebaboa, MPP for Nebabu as a journalist. And now even the security services are yet you are cause someone protecting no crowd. What was some buoying? So why is all these things happening? Abujafo, Abochie's voice, me they see. But the best journalists, the Mamon Famon Sankain. Some more MPP in this Mubakum, Huamunkukum. Abochie's voice, me they see. Ebo Bagwan.
Yes, Minia.
Now, that's why I did visa.
Check us on me, me from Abba.
Who from Abba?
Me from Abba.
They make I know.
Me from Abba.
Abba Ben Wafa.
I can't answer some. Now, baby, I can't hear me down you there. The MPP, if your own position says here on this issue. Now, the scale of Nzama Kodo, Ablikman North. Next to two, I was so West Wagon one. A year half rubber. A year class 1. I was wagons, you know, or SHS.
PhD level,
Nanso, my young Wushi. Ghana, young problem, young in there. Some brave Juma, that's so busy one. That's some brand to me children. When you to Fiazi or born a cow. Ninche obiri yaze obosuro o sende nkofo yabona in the name of politics wakovo ho nti o embolden others wonso waye dama na se mosu ayo so wagon na se perpetrators no within second one onyo kagina asenzibia ma wonyo to two fiaza nti obi kaye bi wo ablekumanota nti obosuro onyumde the bandida no see now when you be tum no master some was be bottom but you protect your own and I expected that obinizaba protect nizana the extra difference so between there I was so wagons no I was west wagons no perpetrators no these were national security people no a state sponsored ankasa a tax na wo bebugu wo ye nsunsun odem ansunsun ko so odem na America de mo sin de dan eben kon na ye fado na aza wa mama wura ho kase onenyi oye madam how kumsen ni spokesperson na yin kase ewiabiri oye 8 also in 8 no ye constituency secretary as well I yin kasa ewiabiri nin sama orekan se amin na me ye madam how kumsina nchenda zuko ya on yeme edibio anaso on kama asam mama bio o sende say tey nkoma abenten reason de akotiazi na obokopa na oboko in grand style na misa mo de na say madam how kumsin orokwa akotwa in grand style aba grand style na obutum wako aba grand style na obutum wako akotia osoro kwa akotia don onkwa akotia MPP won wi na okro ablekumanoti MPP won wi ni a na se ablekumanota oben kasoa onu ntonyi na akotia nti sami so bete ma futo a nchonti na fie mama onkwa akotia o sende nankasa maame no nenzema bia wa ye in the past related to elections and as one constituency na nsema wo sisi nkofa we memu ho no ho nkofa we bimpo ahwodo nkwa allegedly dama nsem bi wa akokọ okodo no wa twetru wa tuetru dam na aze wa mo wache candidate atum wo sales na aze dam nzema nyina no wa ma no wa abaye ehi wo politics yi mu enyi paso so odu bebi na so wo baye ehi a o se dey sunsoro wo ho ehwe wo ye o sende se ebi ada nda obi no tree na obobo ochina enyi po na obutu abobo bibi foforo na obutu abobo nti se obehia de mpanyefo se ebi no kogom ehwa se do kogom no so obi mu na de ekwa to minyawa meyewa idugoma na ato mata ma adam hodo na za abren nti eba na so mo krain menya menyamo be yo na mo mata ma adam hodo na menya bi ona ma za abra won se nkop se enyimide wankasa enkofo won target da mo na nkasa abentie okada onyimide azen na wa bona atoa then your being a target no will not end at Ablekumanot. But just so I could tell you so about target to the man. So why do you go there? Why there say Ekwan MPP winner? In some call one winner na. In some penny say don't hold no what to wobble on come. Into Mesre. Na Aza Muhunu Ablekuma elections no oye bien ekwa kan wakra sam but the MPP fo mo si ochire peti pefi the MPP oye party nkan na maka won sisi a party no owa ahohiahiem owa ahochirim party no abaye headless and lawless.
The party has
become headless and lawless.
Ebu Bakman.
And let me explain. MPP, after 2007, now during Mr. Makmenu by a party, we believe the party together. No, Yehunde party will take a new shape, a new character, why by a new creation. Then a Christ kind, so be by Christ ma, or by a boss for no. But MPP by a boss for all together. Or by a one-man party. Nanado became the principle of the party, the value of the party, the constitution of the party, the law of the party. So Bibia and Nanado. So the party is suffering from what I call post-strongman disintegration syndrome. Post-strongman disintegration syndrome, PDS.
Which is?
PDS. The strong man is not there. Nanado is not there. So the party, the center cannot hold. That is why a party like MPP, there, who born dog, there in 1992 yet so party, now BJ Darocha and chairmanship, no Obama order, there this election a young co, and a candidate will define no order, and I put a lajeta, and now Odo Saxa, but he said, oh send there, Odu baby no, party by year, Nana People's Party in T, MPP, Nana People's Party in T. Will take you over the party now. Won't allow the system, the structures of the party to work. In his absence, the structures of the party is struggling to work. Until the MPP for General Secretary to more order. That amazi more 1 year. The next day, no be here on yesterday. Until we define no order. Abakaya, what share? What crow a. Thank you, Tor.
Thank you, Tor.
Ma odi we okay the presidential candidate no put we gina nyina no wa shase there obi a shase there campaign no issue statement is by there mo no campaign ya unje o ankasa no they were still doing it now say so part at in the form why I want calculations for whatever reason was we are not contesting this election. Then an individual within the party you defy the order of the party. Presidential candidate, those who want to also lead the party, also defied the orders of the party to follow the woman. This is a clear case of lawlessness and headlessness. Party must behave. Why the headless chicken? That is how sadly the party has become. Inti say one sheni now one finds a man 2 years. Moral Kodri is not a good spectacle, even for the party itself there. Now the party has lost control. She have been today. Abron Yanominazi, when some of one against certain leaders in this country. The party is not able to sanction them. But
said the Omuka against the Abronya Kokan against Duncan Williams. The party came out to disassociate.
But you sanction the person. The person is destroying the image of the party. The party constitutional woman. Though we be allowed to destroy the image of the party. No, party in busy. A woman lawyer not tonight.
So would you say, sir, the current leadership of the New Patriotic Party, they have teeth but they can't bite?
Makachro. It's also the just also the bibu to there's a akoko to no in Canton and as in bibu Catanodwa for a long time. let's see in Cantana na chance as a catandina. What you want the thinking there still a contender. So Chile is one bonanza. I think something must hit the national executives to know that the Akufo-Addo is no more. The strong man is no more. Because first, the Akufo-Addo was the one in charge of the party, not the national executives. Now that he is no more, they should assert themselves. Mama wange the Akufo-Addo emblem and wash aseno. It's no more. But they should the way why Yenzamana. So if it continues like that, sister, I'm telling you, any genuine NPP person be our very objective, The NPP lacks leadership as we have. As at now, NPP, I know. I've known this party. I have been an executive member of this party before. I had some party before. And the kind of party I'm joining, the last catch out there, if NDC in there, and NPP in there, no 1992, I'm join NDC. Because NDC, I'm making a very strong statement. Because NPP now, I'm join 1992. No?
It's not the same NPP as
Suban. That is why President Kufuor can even say that Onumpo, the party has neglected him. Onumpo, President Kufuor, Umpo. No one shall in there. And the play one more UTV Meka Sembi. Even when President Kufuor was president of Ghana, 2008, another better candidate, Now President Kufuor decision be another Obogu. Typical example, and this is my own case. 2008, the Akufo-Addo, only prime minister, or disqualify 14 of us and Allen supporters. Ame, Dr. No, this guy by MPO, Shaba. We have 14 of us. What is qualifying for no reason. Dr. No was the regional treasurer of Eastern Region. What is qualifying? I was constituency chair, youth organizer, Cape Coast, and presiding member. What is qualifying? What is qualifying here? For no reason. And now, President Kufuor, intelligence report out by the table there. It's 14 areas. Disqualification was a confusion about party no more. So 1 year 14 areas now. 1 year real run of the parliamentary primary now. MPP will lose those seats. Now we lose the presidential vote.
Okay.
Until of a meeting, first meeting of Akufo-Addo no newbie. Mr. Tedam was there, Alagete was there, Odosas was there, Amubuja was there, Kojo Pieni.
Yeah.
Kojo Pieni. No, secretary. President Kufuor was the chairman. Makamoni was there. Nana Oku, Sana Lodge. Nana Oku, he became even Council of State member under Akufo-Addo. No, Yame Afanuko. He was my financier at that time, and he was part of the meeting. Because Buzi at the time, he was a treasurer of the party, and so elder of the party.
Okay.
And so from 1 a.m. the way we are meeting, the meeting was a prime minister bill 14 constituencies. Now the whole first meeting or maybe second meeting or baby no, or agree there. Obey 14 areas in the we meeting and the party to more the man and PA from Mr. Obri is now a chief. Mr. Obri from then and Akufo-Addo so Podo Shemo number 16 no office or rage. No could do one. No moon the one what is qualifying you go Shaba, Dr. No. As someone came in there. I don't he didn't know that some of us knew the information. The Mawesi Biano, Yen Jimna, one what we mean in one corner about 5,000 appointments. I will consider you Nazi or board decision and Ankasa Kamu in. Our President Kufuor was the chairman or Begui. Yamin Chazi, time was part of the 14. Your elections, we lost Cape Coast. We lost so many of the 14. So Akufo-Addo would take President Kufuor no advice now until the president 2008. Until when even President Kufuor was sitting president. Na Akufo-Addo on fana na asem yasem. In some no odos no ntum kan now. But mama kan there. Even President Kufuor po, we sitting president po. On fana asem yasem. No party chairman, party secretary. So he became the strong man of the party. And now that he is no more, the center cannot hold. It's about time, if the MPP wants to be relevant in subsequent elections, one set one if they have to restructure one constitutional amendment if they are going to consider so many things one consider no more party now no ya kono but some of us young men joining 1992 no they should get the party back
but we sincerely they say what free party about movement for change so I didn't NPP as some Sarfo
no Ghana a democratic state
okay
party be are stronger Oyema state because any NDC and MPP so far one air trouble one I pray that we are going to get a third force but if a party is well organized not so busy or manoda it is better than a party on your well organized
DNC format
busy or manoda but man busy
okay mame la sabe wait that boko bio you guys fine
say na de ye nam na ehwo apaso nka ne sa
munam
say Ghana now
I'm say Ghana now
oh lawyer is amusing himself
na say me freo
lawyer
asam ka make one tiase
ba
one tiase me nua movement for change na kasa asam o kai na nya
MPP asam said I don't know about
e Togo o kan ti said the MPP no go fa fi waga
Roger please last seven patch me tiwa
Roger bibie ma no pa na e jama no na ehhehye no we so ye go ba bia nya putre
Ablekumanov rerun violence
well Ablekumanov is rather unfortunate na obia obeka say well hunu say bibi say likely to happen no na unfollow Ghana politics ni ye I remember say last week Tuesday I got the opportunity on one of your sister stations I think Kesben Anopa Mekai and I may suggest the crisis by election crowd to start with the MPB this was even a rerun but even by election say be who be ne be year no be on a ticket of a certain political party to say the SC war is it Akwatia yeah then the party in power no should find somebody no uncle to adwuma so because these by elections you know even the presidency no crampo no the president had more than 2 years na say nyame mfasa emma ofiri mu a the vice president takes over these by elections that we've been running no it's not helping your democracy no so line up baby by election bia a place you find say automatically no maybe is a very strong hold of the NDC or the MPP. If a by-election is happening in Ashanti region, a very strong hold of MPP, you don't see these things. If it is happening in a very strong hold of NDC, you don't see these things. But baby, I na say muache, we bet me afa na and someone no enyefe. We can cite all the examples of the Chereponis, of the Akwatia, of Etiwa, of Talensi, of Ayawaso. And then now Ablekuma and so ababe ka na ne fare bai nyina ne den ade isi na honorable Joe apia kan election yakot December 7th okay bibi and I side with my brother Eko so okay say yes he was leading because he declare no ya maame a ogina mu ma MPP ya to abawie ye kan aba ya kan no owo ono na lead aba no eti question na me bisa no say why na in his right senses what bokako elections ya wie ya sorto ye kan aba no and mind you ansa na electoral commissioner ebe ne coalition be wie na odi figure na to abonten no na the major political parties no omahunu de akwakosi wie dada because they have their agents at the polling stations. It also edge omu figures no quickly. Na oma ye omu coalition no ma hunu de eko. It used to say the ohunu say odi nkunim no. Obekwa akwose election no de ja out to pink sheets ni mu ana. The mere fact say NDC for egada omu ho edi jako to Ablekuma North emu around December 8 December 9 and here pink sheet ya she school day nyina no a child said they themselves knew say elections no omo lusu ye because it will not be normal say ye nim say NDC ye winni ye bibia che say ye winni ye coalition nyina che say ye winni ye ntwen ma electoral commissioner ma boys mon kona mon ko say nyoma no makwa kwahye ho enti say ye we nyina awie ni asa baba election a isi ma ye tiase say aka polling stations in 3 from December 7th till date even 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago omoko parliament and under oath ye bi say isi no o say aka polling stations 3 pa na fe ye be declare say akwa akoto bi one ye say aka 19 empanyi say so timi wa oro ka for beti eti no ma di bi wa politics enti ye be hwe ne sa ni ahunu say ba bia eda no so one fan to a free to na me ka ni pen say ye nyoma nyina yi a December 7th no e kwa free any winning elections no it was never NDC and they themselves they know
that you feel say the leadership of the party are disappointed kwa free
how they remember how the leadership of MPP remember how Joe appeared and say no I had to say statesman to intimi and can say yes or can and the NDC shouldn't be proud of having that seat. That's what I want to the point I want to make. Because why would him say wenya ba the takashi akwakoje emre mpanyifo se yenye den ye ni enka so ti bisa ho se wo ana se obi di saade we bi ye wan ke be yoda na o wi ofo nsan so a no ahwe wonsa. I don't want us last week I said it not on this platform say I am never proud of what happened at
Ablekuma
Debbie
Ayawaso West Wagon.
Yes, I can't be proud of it. I had one of the darkest moments in the rule of Akufo-Addo.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
One of the
darkest moments.
Lawyer Sebe.
Oh, yes. Because it's not something that we should be proud of. See, Akwatuaba. Now, at the end of the day, no. Nipa the Epra. Should we be proud of this? And the back stops with you, the president. So I was expecting President Mahama, who had lambasted President Akufo-Addo for what happened at Ablekuma Ayawaso, to have done better.
But you don't think it's too early?
Anya,
what were you expecting him to do?
I wasn't expecting it to happen for you to come and condemn you. You were not elected to solve preventable problems. If you're a leader, now we'll try my problem about and some will solve what. Now you have a leader. If the problem is preventable, how many police stations there are there, 19 polling stations. Yeah, and me and she say Bambo Ebekoswo 19 polling stations. I'm here incident free election. President Mahama went me and provided election free 19 polling stations. I also cried the same I can say polling stations were about 200 or so. It is a 19 biano yenyasa incidents we wo mudia. And in a President Mahama na share ayawa over 200 polling stations are incidents be ni benya. Just 19. And the people who perpetrated these acts no, you cannot sit here and say some
but so catch say just 19 ebo backman e kasa no or say the level of violence I cause Ayawaso West Wagon now the toto the course I know the course wa hanoma what him say Ayawaso West Wagon there no was soro pa.
He's just not being fair.
Oh, on your fair.
Oh yes.
Why?
Because you see all his statements, all his arguments, and somehow what can nyina fair Akufo-Addo ho ne ade nyina no. I don't know what kind of one-sided.
But support it. But support it.
Mami,
what support it? The Ebo Backman.
Okay. What I'm saying is,
yeah.
You see, senior Ebo or your experience in the game, very much experience. You see, na say, you say, Bomuchichi Frinsu ase be catch us so den chema wu a. Na chi ye den the way wo ye menua. Wo free MPP ni mu na PhD so o ka asem a woni na you kra na enye yie. What you say? But what I'm trying to say is say Ayawaso West Ayawaso Wagon, yes. Ekuta over 200 polling stations. That is the point I want to make. This 19 polling stations. percentage wise, just protecting 19 is difficult. Protecting over 200 police stations than 19. That is the point I want to make.
That is where the level of violence, of course, Ayawasu West Wagon, a bro.
So I wasn't expecting, say, even 19 Ukraine can be basic. That is the point I'm trying to make. Is anybody proud of the fact, say,
we are not proud of it as a country.
Saying, say, I've even stated, say, what happened at your friend saying, Ayawasu, no, to me, is a dark moment in a Kufuadu's history. And that is a fact. So is anybody going to be proud of what has happened under President Mahama with only 19 police stations? Say you corner to me attack. Oh my attacking. You say Kasani na hwede ekoka and how come sin. Oh you say wa and how come sin. Oh you say is this how we resolve a problem? Sorry.
Ebo Backman.
How come sin? And na nse bi oka wa how come sin. Okay, Chris, your deputy organizer no. Dey bone no ye.
And also asemo.
Ah ye bono, dey bone no ye bono. The people there, they were asking of miracles abuajino on the wine. Miracles abuajino on the wine.
So they have targets.
Police in the quarter, baby. Then we come and sit here. Instead of saying about condemn Nyoma enye. Who the way forward, no. We sit here and because we think that we've left the MPP, we don't like the MPP, we should paint the MPP black.
Is that what I've done?
I was expecting.
Is that what I've done?
To condemn this
I've
one.
Condemned it. Even this morning. Morning on YouTube, I condemned it.
Look at Ablekuma. Look at the time of Unyaye. Any condemnations are coming Kufuado. Look at time Unyaye. Any baby or the coffee fire. But the point I'm trying to make is a miracles of what you know you'll be doing. Samia Ukwebo and Dino you'll be doing. Yeah, Chris, I am born no. What show screen is.
And even my brother Akwesinsia of Akwesinsia Betro, I read his statement.
Do you know what was dangerous about this thing? I was following this elections, SAR station on police station on Koino. The tax spent about 2 hours there. It is our 2 hours. We couldn't mobilize the security forces of the state to go and prevent what was happening. The radio stations were announcing agrophobia baha omu yese ye shomu ye nhwe hanya ma de besie enyesi ni abekase abetena ka say na how akumsi no yese wa. I will justify what happened. Such a shameful attitude and behavior. You see, mama mo abrantie bia baso. Your friend Eduji Tamaklo. I salute that young man.
Why?
Asemi by no na onhu yempo na me follow a radio station bi was a okofa NDC phone na ko bi so ma you say how akum so no ko dina no hye batakari so okokon na okokon dia say de ohia na de aba so but Eduji Tamaklo mbisa na also media me hu ye but wo journalist also who there is rather unfortunate that why not condemn ye. Let us condemn bad things when they happen. Nebom si abetena ha ni anya mic ni afriza ni enim nya sacha Ghana fo nyina ti ebe ka de epe bia e de protect your party o china wo betu ni asi abonten e bia na wonam ho na so throw shot bi no na ba be kan. What is good, what is bad. Say si ayawa so na senya ene de asi no enya yen kan tell say enye. So I was in this studio when you were interviewing our secretary from Ewutu. You saw my reaction. I wasn't happy with the things that he said. And my brother Ebo also saw it. I wasn't happy because you can't come and say anyhow akum so obeba no oba wabua no pa. What kind of language is that? Obetaka say obaba.
And you feel say Sakasana Wakano being a constituency secretary, no, you think say national executives of the party, no, they would have to call him to order?
Oh, what else? You see, at times, no, not this youthful exuberance, no, it take it over.
But
enye papa.
And because of that, he must be called to order.
Enye papa.
He must be called to order.
It's only when you give them the tips. Because they be no being you.
Ebeko.
Say na make am.
Now make that drink so be you.
And I say a beer, me use a beer.
Okay, but that's
you get the point.
We am renewing.
Yes. So what I'm saying is that and I'm even condemning what he said. The other side catches so how obeko but obeya hye simple. But you can't Ebema Asha Grofo, you look at somebody like Sam George. Wo call your boy wasumu no. Nipa nyina hu sa ade na course na yeden entwa yi. Then you come and tell the former vice president to shut up. What kind of country are we building? I know people yes.
He had that. So do you think he has the moral locus to come and speak?
Who?
The vice president, the former vice president.
Oh Jesus!
He doesn't. No, wait.
When that thing happened, he was.
You get your time.
No. You are a legal practitioner. I don't expect you.
No. Please. No, don't go on that tangent.
Don't go on.
I'm not attacking.
No, that's what you are doing.
Yeah, that's what you just
did.
did.
What I am saying is that Sam George, as a minister of state, should not come and tell the former president to shut up. It is not correct. Now, because same way, I know now. Papa say who obin any. You're very careful. We are young in this country. Baby, Dr. Baumia, I don't support Baumia to lead the MPP. But it doesn't mean some support Dr. Baumia to lead the MPP in Intino. Remember, Assemblia and Sam Fatem Freeman Mumra. I don't support John Dramani Bahama to be president. Doesn't mean that I should just come and sit on national television like this and say any word that I want to President Mahama. Naka betime bie manu we na kasa sabi sem fi we bi e dey ache President Mahama. Dem ma ye kasa no show say ye free baby a ya tete yen. You see this thing I'm very passionate.
But you don't think Sam George because of the pains he's going through no.
That is what we call emotional intelligence. Shade now we can say how can be for their former women organizer Hanabisu. Ni statement na yode. Say na yode. That is what we call emotional intelligence. You think I'm happy see akobo how comes in na. Maybe I can be sumi nya can but you exercise that. You have that emotional intelligence. Ni afante chire o mind no na mum enya manyuku ene esu ni asunte ya ode. O be kasa atiatem ayedede na ai baumia kra he has no moral ese gidi na tem chance. Oh ba.
May I say SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And check your baby lines now to 0260 196064 0260 196065. Here, because what I say 21st clinic, me pacho, the original sciatica expert. Medimafo Herbal Center, Dr. Time Dasu, Edriani Papa Fie, Haja Special Local Foods, Electroland Ghana Limited. Wonsi Ebeda Mwasipa, Sasuna Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Hey! Yete Moswa, yeah, sorry. I want to yare kwan kwode yete dete. Roger, get you.
Abochi.
Yeah.
Mamimfa kwenye Suenchia, the president of our beloved country, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Naminchia na bedi Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman. Naminchia party chairman Honorable Johnson Asedu Nketia. Naminchia openibia odi ni nimjie ni nyansa ebwa emagana afani ntuma pa efra. Na Abochi. Insema ekuko suyi ni nano. Before I mesha se no. Say oh Bible of phone so can read Proverbs 29 verse 18 mame.
Ko 18.
Ma bisao.
Na se miniana.
Also opening
Proverbs 29:18.
If you are better offering no.
Proverbs 29:18. Baby, 70 I can am yeah. Proverbs 29:18.
Yeah.
All right. Proverbs 29:18.
Yeah.
Why there is no vision?
Where there is no vision,
people perish.
People perish.
But he that keepeth the law, happy is he.
Okay. So you can see this is a true representation and depiction of MPP.
Hasamanake.
They don't have vision.
Omuni eniswade hunubia.
Eniswade hunubia MPP as a party. Ewo. See, you are going into an election and then the hierarchy, the leadership say adiwe yesia yenko. Omode embrase na to amamu. Imonko. Mafeti na mako. Mangazanga no like Odwe Hussein. Omu ye visionless. Omu nimbra. Omu ndimbra so. Enti no mko gu oni na no wana na ebe ome holding accountable for whatever has gone on there. And and change. They are also no and they change. But omo as a party, they are visionless. Omu need focus. Omu need bearing, no direction. What do I say? They cry and running no embo. It is an MPP. Amenyo kono and I say yes and I can with you. Amenyo kono akoye. Maybe I ought to me send faso eka hubi. Me or not come a film cry or join ebia
movement for change.
And I say yes.
And our bar NDC.
And NDC the bra. You be consider now for starting what you say.
Okay, Roger.
Because who joining MPP right now? Moon need direction. I saw why eternity. Oni wo ti no kra wo hu bibia wo fa. Na wo ni ti.
Na mo so na mo sha de na mo sha da pinpoint bi mu se mo de tax ba.
Bisa ne se o mo bobo mu din no. Miracle one e de saka miracle. Won say dem ka kira o adi no kra mo ye no mo boys. Han your friend is saying how no any boys from Kaswa na abehwe no internal it's like me ka kira say wait
I nipa no dive be head no.
Ono de omo no be ka o masem nipa ko no dive head no oye NDC chairman oye NDC party organizer.
It's one of your tax.
Oye me be sao oye NDC
but oye
NDC platform bia so
Roger mama be sao akwa na o hwe your friend is Sam George Asum no. Na
no say national security uniform. Nupakwa okoye say any national security person. They used under the MPP. They used the security apparatus to intimidate electorates. Shots. And when then we are 0.01% of what happened at Ayawaso. I know how kumsi 1.22 or a Kaswa. 1.22 Emma Kola Femu. What does it? I don't cry anything. It is how we na AC and a former vice president Baumia. Why administration when you were the chairman of the police council and no one press conference, no one to even address it or condemn it. And today you gather momentum and you feel you have the moral locus to come and sit on air and throw tantrums into people's eye. You're nearly saying Ambi. You're nearly saying Ambi.
Ati they see o
esi wa ya waso no what is say omo probe any investigation they came to sit down and defend it is an abaye
but the Emil Short Commission was set up.
Masa abaye the boteti no abaye the boteti no and one the boba now so enum omo the boteti ewe edu omo so say the boba no say ba de on say the aba no e be bo no mum e say let me tell you if you sow violence you reap violence. How do you plant thorns and expect to reap roses? I go see when. In penny focus, I'm saying cotton one man. Mo breedy tax and no ma first to ashemo because what did you jomo? Maybe so that very day, maybe go one apa. Your friend is saying, we who miracle hormo obedience zakano. Oma bubo mudino. One ayo mu bibi. Sisi and one better half for me say they were asking where were they massa. This one there it is blatant lie.
Na na kasa hwemeni.
Baby
kasa hwemeni me.
Ye ni na ne wa.
Baby I'm in the chair. Baby I'm in the chair.
Communication.
I'm in the chair. Eti hwemeni Roger.
Eti me fa na me dini na be bom na me dia frafra. What na me serve. Eti dia can say we do not support violence, electoral violence.
Eti ma condemn this here.
Yes, ya condemn me. Ya even your vice president akasa fa ho. And then say this is someone upholding the integrity of the institution she is representing. What you say?
But say
VP have condemn me.
I say aya was worse for going.
One condemn me.
Baumia condemn me.
Then okay.
Condemn me.
Condemn me there. And no here they found. She said please no. Wait. Please no Paul obi no. Oni say wa omo interdict no.
Meaning pa.
Mo de no oni pa ko bo obi. We tell me record I say you need for even interdiction so. Let me tell you, let's call a spade a spade. It is high time we recover from the period of dark slumber. We like that. I say me who dia me fan and describe MPP for no. Na ma san ti gina say e be hia wa kwatia. Mumbra. Say sana moka.
Oso ke bi a kiro.
Almost omo bo omo. We are not going to the election with violence. I say not. Omo tutu ntuo ni eko say omo kwakoye. We have a strategy to win elections. But we will not bring tax and come. Oh, massa. Ya mean muka ni ade o man say no. Why we not here? Where we not here? Was short. Oh, massa. Oh, che. O say ye ba election no. Ye be intimidate obia. We are coming to win. The people of Akwetia, they are going to vote for NDC because they have seen that we are better managers of the economy more than MPP. They've seen that they have to join the wind of change They've seen that they want to be part of the success story of the NDC. That is why they will vote for NDC. We are not going to intimidate anybody, but as a matter of fact, if you people are coming with your tax, then you better advise yourself and stay home. Because if you think you love violence, oh.
All right, so
when boys were boys, where were they? When boys were boys, when men were men, where were they?
Men are seen.
When so
boys are seen.
I'm telling you, say, omu eklemi say omu bo mo ho. E de be sia yen wakwetia. And I make a sure say, when we, where were they?
Me va so yen fan communist.
What you say?
Me da say.
It's the be ya omu advice omu. But the long and short of it ne say, how akum say, obia any NDC a otano. Yes, I want to own and I mean addressing honorable Hanabisu issue. Utie interview no or no or say or no or condemning the act. And now omubisa and say asema tu we no any dana. Not say oh yeah but on no was suffer. Uncle so tax 30 tax. Ewo ayawaso. Sano kan one cause oko attack woman.
Speak to the camera.
You see, one cause oko attack woman or say I don't feel pity for her. That is what he is trying to say.
All right, you see for Manoy.
It's no, I don't know. And some judge also the statement to make here no. One and kaya show sir. And now we are babe catch us say we are. Or no nkaso say but
say or a public official.
Oh, na ba me no on a public official.
Then about me.
Time now or your boss I'm judge assume no a public official.
But so condemn you.
Oh, me say time I ball. Some judge
no, some judge are public official. So be do
now out me share public official. Now we see assume as a security apparatus. With me see public official assume. Tie, let me tell you. So clear. Say the MPP are lawless people who do not have morals. And now no, they don't have the moral grounding to even speak or utter a word.
All right, me that say SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. NDC ABB lines now to 0260 196064 0260 196065. Mamin ko Ebu Backman and Jeng Ebu.
Yeah.
Muntaka Edi Ababetu just say 1 year a yes sir Rukasam no ewo. Ablekuma North Rerun, no, they will deal with them. And again, also afraid how Kumsen, and how Kumsen Edinkomo, and that how Kumsen is well. You feel that is enough to deter other people. Say you call any elections are tax baby these are wicked acts are nyambrasam way.
Okay, quickly, before that, let me set some record straight. Ablekuma Samna Makayano, not Samna Makayano. My focus was on advising Howard Kumsen. Sure. So that was the focus. And MPP is one issue, no. But there, because my advising in that, manka there, Mozi and Onion, there, I condone Mosi, no Makano. My previous interviews, I condemned the act, no there. In our democracy, no. What is left for us is our elections. Sure. Because Abraham Lincoln said democracy is government of the people, by the people, for the people. But Ghana Hano, on your government for the people, or your government for the political elite. No, by the people, no chede yana yetu aba. Inti yana yetu aba no chede election is ohian pa. Inti election biala ye be biano. Azi biala ozi wonchu on say the nyimpa pra and the nyimpa wu ansa na obi ezi MP na we the president. Inti all these acts, they are condemnable. I condemn everything. But Mama can you there? But if you say I should and fair baby. Because once I'm between is witching. And he said, you there, one casa politically no. There was some baggage be, there was some issues CBA. One more, you be no pewasam, or be no mean your perception about you are. As soon so and for catch it, that mean a mabe. Into them now, that's where I was coming from. The Padam catch a lawyer there. I condemn not because I don't like MPP or what. That is not the issue. And some money can we say the facts as they are. Yeah. And in the say NPP no say tema, I have advised the NPP even more than attacking them. I have not even attacked them. I've advised them more. But in some oil no call tugwa. No my advice on in it. No one poke there. Prof there or NPP won't ask why they have to. It's a political party. So why are stronger? Let they be so busy Benuma and as we mean the power. Obutu manage Ghana ye. So on that score. But I agree with the Minister Muntaka. Also there, Obi Biala or the Mazin Biano. Videos, mean that police now they have the copies of the videos. They have to go through the videos and identify one zama waye no also them brain easy. Na yamambra onyo easy. I've said it. You could be away to Biano. There are two imperatives on me leadership and law. You could be away to Biano or two things, law and leadership. Some won't break ye juma, irrespective of whoever the law has caught up with. Na say leadership no so ochre edo mamanfo or ye sincere or ye accountable any krotumpon so on mantumpon nti I agree with the minister on bombozina na set example with this particular issue ama obi biala na adwene there elections na yigina do azi to trusam obi wonyi bi personal score no nyine wano obi nya ofi the opportunity obi nya the election aba no I feel election no was asset no score. But another point I'm going to make on this issue in there, you see, our democracy has become a creation for people to get power to amass wealth. That is
really.
Oh yes,
our democracy
has
become what?
In fact, African democracy. Let me put it. Let me even go broaden the scope of my argument. That if you were a Onyanko, you school. In fact, car time point to Toby. 1 room point to rent. No party win the power 4 years time. What to mention? Or cars. Onya's going. It's a democracy, you know. It's only a government for the people anymore, or a government for the political elites. So, or a government for the people until you bar. Instead, them when you park go to work to them 27 year work on so in the coro. That may be no when you scale to Tom Mansions war airport here Nazi because they were ministers for 4 years. That means them. So so what do you amount for
one seven okay.
Oh. Must man ibinum
when to say
prof
oh na some come on with them so why don't I got Manchester airport there's a gentleman
there's a gentleman this guy Senior Hosi all your cousin be also some of my neighbors, we wonder how they got money because of the airport hills.
Okay.
Oh, some of our neighbors, we wonder how they got money to build the houses they have, the mansions they have. And it's so sad there. People ride on democracy, get power, and amass wealth, while it could be bimpa, maybe bofamo being swan umpo unyebi, what name do you ask no woko school, or yempo in hospital. And soon in Impa Korobe, skill will be that my sister. A binary court here, national service issue here we see ghost names will you see me there napco so na other places today uncomfort take advantage of what's supposed to be a system oboboa ehiafo no they amass the world for themselves it's not your coalitions or you do or die no because you there say or lose power now we lose no mansion nchodonya no cars nchodonya we lose Skebia and Chodo on your girlfriend car, but you go Dubai holidays in will lose.
Hey, to that extent.
Oh yes, they
go
do
it. One girlfriends.
Abochi, they do.
No,
this is common.
You are saying it.
This is a common knowledge. This is a common knowledge. Oh, this is a common knowledge. This is a common knowledge. So, it's one man. Putumuno. Why you be there been there? Politicians say lecturers won't pay what you were university. Doctors won't pay what you were hospital see. Teachers won't pay what you no one so what you be on incident war kwa into edu elections obey bloody and John bloody but because when the elections no or ye means to amass worth through power ninti people are prepared to even kill human being to get power.
So you believe in Muntaka's statement say they will deal with the people?
Yes, I say he should set example with those people. You man brain you ninzi whether you this you NPP you once you are caught in that video You should let the law deal with them.
May I say, Mabinko,
that is the point.
Last Sabe, say, Muntaka, or say, he would ensure, say, Ayakutia, Babeku, a violence free. And again, has said, say, 1 year, Umquadi, sir, Bonnier phone seminal, a idea, Ometriomas. Ujidi.
Prof.
Yes.
Statement Honorable Muntaka Ediabet to Hono. Sempa. To start with.
Okay.
At least, say Yabeka could do baby a me. Me person who's a gun edruna as such statements any Mickey. Now seeing through it to the end, you know, and the debate tested wound to me. Your friend is Muntaka. Okay. Ashanti region. Ya debate tested Muntaka. Meaning so ye be ma pa. Or yen nyoma me follow no pa. But this is a test case for him. Ye be hwe se asem a waka no. E ba be ye adwuma anasa nye adwuma. Luckily for us, the entire ebia e mama gie die kakra NDC communicator to show you so. Aka che ne say. How akumsen. Ono an nkrofo tax a ono omo your friend is saying. Kaswa hono. Omo an be bull wa ha no. It is the unknown MPP for mababa buha okumsen. So for NDC to deal with them, it should be very simple. Wey omo ni mu nyina clear da hono. Yemfa omo nyina ne ne emra no ba bi ese omo di no. Eni omo ni nkosi ase fiko.
So you be disappointed say so omo ntimi anya.
Highly disappointed, especially in one politician that I respect so much.
Oh, yeah, why?
Muntaka. Sometimes me follow no. I respect him so much. It doesn't mean it doesn't matter. So yeah, NDC and PPP. If you are doing something and it is right, I will say that you are doing something right. It yeah so bad yes. And now you see, sa issue I can once in a police for yeah kwa sha baswa. Mo be an fet you enko because abani ye kwa koto. Yes you him say people will come there, tax bar or no or the violence and eba. And then my police and then the maso yani hu.
Etuono.
Etuono.
Oh baba uniform no so kan ho. Uniform there first. Uniform there first.
It is because we know that uniform they shall know. You are protected. It is not just mere uniform they shall know. Obia dreaming say police need a handcuff on home. Police need a tuition home. At least taser ever home. Look at what happened. Omukoko drew honum ewo ablekume. Ba ko di kan go police ni busu say e man to see form. Hwe the way omo break in. Say eye na
I say sa video ni dey who. Police need to see form.
Oh yeah born busu first person no. And na di hu eto omo so no.
And na menye hu.
And e wo hwe movie bia.
I don't even know. I just be a man bisa. Sarfo kan naka uhu sa movie. Debio.
Police need to form. That was the first strike. And what the chief of police say, "Hey, no guta shock e bi ne de ka won ni ade a carry to yako." Eti nipa na wo ba be dia to trust them. Onim say police ni no gina wo hwe no. So yeah, because they are coming from them say they are unarmed. It will him some me but police in the station when they say they be chef house na biako. It is awesome na ye na police kwa men fa hwe nko na de. Me mejitu mu a enye. It's not just the police uniform. E shall no. It is by the komo so no omo ye well equipped and well armed. Any police when nya tu e to ma omo. Prof, me say police when nya tu e to mo nya soldier for nko a.
Na, Debio, le tu no.
What you say? To fight what? To fight crime. No big but
electoral grounds no
so why do you go and bring tax?
Who see Uchema betina say or say we internal okay
never chop an why mami
so why do you invite tax there? It ain't na this any pan ekoko bu hono so mo me den. And you see when you come on radio, you come on TV, we are here for two things. We educate the public and we inform. Also tax it to pick up some pickups. Now one count.
But is that not what a constituency secretary now can? But you condemned him, right?
Yes, I condemned him.
Okay, let me seize this opportunity. Gabriel Jenfi, So what we Bunu is Regional Education Officer, Head of Planning, is watching us on Facebook. Amwako Kwabena Frimpon on the movement for change in India. Popa. For camera na two is no. Camera na two is so Ebu Bakman so.
Popa. The incoming regular chairman. Popa. The incoming regular chairman for a political party.
And Justice John Mark also watching us live from Coventry in the UK. You better must say, and the other people watching us when the time is due, I will acknowledge all of you. Nah, but when they see for mommy,
yo, dear Meme can say the Muntaka kind of the aye. Name of Yanga say, ya de be ye juma na aquacusiasie because as I say. Baby, I was say, is it a Tiwan Aquatia? As I said, Aquatia, to me, your friend is a violence free. Now, Obia, Asumia Day, and fine. Now, other conanim. Now, say, Mom, ye baby, yet near better radio soon. So, oh, yes, I get that. Was a better I mean, preaching violence. Maybe I'll be can be a violence. My condemn. So, I don't expect my good brother Roger to come and say,
preaching violence.
That is what you are
I told no. I told you, say, Mona, issue empty threats. And you know, we are men more than you people.
Don't say that on radio. That's why I just want to advise you.
I'm telling you, we are going in for a peaceful election. We are assured, and then we are convinced that based on the performance of His Excellency the President, the people of Akwetia will give us power. But if you people claim you have tax, you have whatever it takes, and you want to bring a confusion there, what we are telling you is that we are more capable and able than you. That is so don't even think of it.
That's why I'm saying.
That is an advice.
Come on radio and do that.
My brother.
Bro, mini Chris no who.
I will speak to him right now.
Oh, Janet, na obi. I have fist to say, blow pa jab.
No. Me feel there. Chris, no sadly,
and took on Facebook
page. Sadly, Chris people don't hardly talk about.
Because how I come say a figure more than Chris.
Yeah, Chris was more.
That's why I was citing say
Chris was true. It was more terrible.
Yeah, it was terrible.
Too much. Say why oh, Madam Maker, what do you be Chris? Why not need now? Nipan call it tax no.
Producer is trying hard to for us to speak.
Ask Chris. So why not NDC official bay? I don't know need now command the tax no no. Ask Chris. If he's on the line, ask him.
Then what?
Well, yeah, Chris was lying. So
yeah, try say now.
Deputy secretary, and I make a choice. Is it Gandhi or who?
Mustafa Bandi.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ask Chris.
But 5 minutes. Why?
Okay.
Hey, 3 minutes. I beg your
I
pardon.
don't know what to say.
There be 3 minutes.
That's why because I
May 7. Prof.
Yes.
Prof.
Me too.
Issue in say.
Yes.
Yen ka say yes so violence so. Yen ade e tria na violence. What you say? Enu ti na omo hwe yen wo ayawa so wie yen no. Ye call ase not no. Ye ni kan e na ye pay strategies. Edit gu akwemu. Ye call ase not ya babo mu ana ya mbomo. What you say? Omo suro yen kokokoko. Opa ma omuni na etuo mema ehwe omusuro e kokokokoko
na wa sembe na tiri
me na me ka kire the me can say masa metisa na jamia me kasa
baby
what is say masa wo say na ate unya mic na o kasa biasa
masa ma me kasa
won tisa date na o
say 2 minutes ago
1 minute na ko 30 seconds
yanko
the aye can ne say
asa say na uni bibia kan bi o
o me onyama bebre kan
okay can 2 minutes
enyama ekoso no e wo say address no mu say we as a party no we believe in doing the right thing. They are honorable akano o say the akoso no ye be make sure say NC ewo Akwetia.
Okay, we will sober me quickly. Now, many Chris ending Komo, Deputy National Organizer of the New Patriotic Party, Chris Lloyd Nikwe Asamoah. Yama Akwababa for God and country so. Hello, Chris. Line as I drop. Me pacho. check it say the line as I drop me bacho.
Share their honorable Akano. You be make sure say you be providing a safe and a peaceful environment for the electoral processes. Rest assured say hallmark going into election peacefully like a way emoji. After all, the country no moving from a military regime into a democratic regime.
And to more violent.
Violent. The American
based
say
on that statement.
No. What you say? The American and I want the American I say. Me say Ebano running a peaceful election a way emoji.
All right.
Unleashing violence is so emoji.
Monamo unleashing violence. Monamo, have you seen NDC using a state security apparatus
President
to intimidate during election? No,
unleashing
it only happened under MPP. It only happened under MPP. What you want to talk about is what you want to
unleashing violence. Obiet mi biti NDC.
They are obrano ekan they are obrano ekan radio no so no e ho reply no na ka che say who claim me say we bema unya bema nchi obia.
So when it comes to unleashing violence it's in your DNA.
Masa ahondi gire nipa mo ye macho
asoma mbisa wonte
mama kasa na me time so over me time si na o interview me. Oh, MPP Suban say no mo dey awe sisi akotia no yesi ebeji sitine fi musa ye ebeji sitine fi musa asema o say mo address no sisi MP in MPP wupe no na yere na ebe facet no MPP wupe no na yere na ebe facet no o dey mo encourage o mo yere be kunkuku ko mo na mo yere ma ba parliament
Roger na sembe na okay no Roger team
Roger
okay
I'm say unti twi ni papa ntino say uka asem bia unim say asem anu odin
asem na no ye din wo ye wo ma we mu party ni wo constitution say obi fi mu a also mo kokore new way na omo yi obi ba no be stand it oh pia mo ma ho kwan kan mo de na yere be ba
John Kuma free Roger
me pa chop
Roger de oye na so onti se o
tie me ka o de John Kuma de na ba ne se na no man fa na yere yamba because on this ekunia for oso onko it mo be se mo yere automatic obi fi mu wo party ni mu a mo nye we primaries no be for embra
bisao omo party mo asem
masa omo ni omo pese e be come party
omo somebody amase
Abochie so party be bunu the party constitution da then there's that proclivity there
who be being wrong about NDC
no if a party if a party is breaching its constitution
please let's have a single conversation the
point I'm making there if a political party na no constitution no on fan ye juma that likelihood that's of Benuma on for Ghana constitution it's very high so it should be a matter of concern.
They have a track record of
lawyer you are a lawyer
when president the late president Atamils Efrim no nyame fa ne crancy yi
sure
allow him to land
Roger by the provision in the constitution is there a clause in your party constitution that says that the wife has to go automatic? You are talking about a president and a vice president.
Roger allow maninsi lawyer sabe meeting
I want me be so as the answer man me be so I will sit between them
yes
okra dia na enye two troubles one God but we do them me be so say ebra president Mills Efrimu na say mo primaries na mo dia yi nipa obe contested for the next you know yeah na mo ye mo tina ase no mo fa adwene na say no the vice president o me kai general say don't get here I say nobody is contesting the vice president ono ne dey ko wasn't the wise decision does it mean what British constitution be? And I say, yeah, the name Diani Nyansa, yeah, you see, I had your way to do.
What is it? A different cry.
Yeah,
MPP is a different cry.
Debut, Munyabutamami, Madame Pesso Sifi. Never saw can't something in a CV. No, can we are not catching said they all can anyway need a webra.
Yeah, a webra.
Last time,
it is already a webra.
I was at SOMPA 106.5 FM. BB Alliance Latum 0260196064 0260196065. You can call and be a part of the show live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Forgotten Country. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Omina Berman.
Yes, sir. Me patrona me na kasai.
E patrona Magio o Kanshi.
Anti Magio Kanshi. Ya da se. Me patrona Ethiopia.
Me bom abafo.
Ya da se.
Abegafo no me chia obi bia.
Mo nyina ajo.
Memo ensam na ekoso no. Ma ye mfa nya amanyofem. Ka wa komfi Yakobo no. Enye ade na enya na ese ya condemn. Muntaka pra condemn dia. Adenti na wo betena ho no. NDC no. O ka say ade ya ye bida. Enunti na ya ye bi atiaka. Ye nya ne sa. Ye mfa wo enya manyofem sa. Ana NPP no problem abamu anya no na be solve MPP problem ama wo. Only mkwan ya on be fa so a on be solve problem. Ama bi adedi. Mo dey true afam ana kwaji seat na. Ya ja mama. Something for cafe monko and no call. You make me cow DLFM say ma onko. Na ukwa NDC for no. On betting to Monsage. Adentina Ablekuma Hono. 19 police station ne penny to father. And yet 3 police station the car ya bata ba ya e se ho ne mokoto aba. E den na 19 ni mo na mo se mokoto so aba. No wunni mu ne won ye agi seat no. Enu ti na won ye sa no. Na bibia wo nyame nsemo bia wo be ye bia no wo be twa ugu aba wo be twa ubi bone a wo be tua soka me bi nyame ja mo ne nyame nya
yes here are Santa Magisa obajwe so hello good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes sir, but I want to ka say
yes sir, to fiya Santa ka say mate
akwesi Santa ka say Kumasi ye da say yet you
okay a professor o ko ri se depend no e kontoka no we say na no asem no e dey see na me ya dey dey say me won say how ku mke no onabo o ko di pepe spray ko e dey o ono ko e pepe spray no o de ko e dey o to agenda dia
oh na say also onama also obo na ho ban
oh no wo bo ho ban ayi ni so wa be pa so e ba we pon pepe spray ka ho bi so atake we pepe spray weapon do dey show won so de ko ye dey the truth say next time no say before kwa ko tiana mo mo fano we dey enko na me dey be
but and ye special aid e kasa no also obekopa o
so ni o kono say ni obi si say o mo sa ko branch ni o no digidi e mo wo ko ama ni fe pe stay dey enko e be sire o ma ni mo ado e say wo bokuma sia e say nyaati so atake e say mo anyi ntimi to no e say ntimi to so atake and the cities yes mo man ko si ya ne no
yeah that's it pass over so you can call and be a part of the show 0260196064 0260196065 hello good evening
Prof
yeah me majona me na ka say
wow this ya kantaman
akafia let to say
yo ade wole mo pa bona ba we di anka ba bonde papa ama ebo ema jetia o mayase enye mo wanwa igo ba mo party ni ku e no mo de bai bro yerika mamentia honorable Brian Champion mamentia just kobia ene me mame hawa ku si me chao me mame akua free years me chao woni bro aya na NDC for no sebi ara mo fi se omu ni nyansa se obia wo Ghana hawo me common sense it say the omu yi omu ni so omamena na omu bon o ba be 4 years na do adudan kwa ba ya o giri Ghana ho a nyansani ba ya tetina yimfie oba no hu se Ghana for ma bi nu en school ni ade no ma Ghana for ma bi bi school do mama wo so aba o ba be to aso ahwe nsem bi o ba be ye na ade akosi wo abrekuma mo kwa se NDC Langan afintele ene mi go for NDC boy ni e ka nya ti bon ko so fu mo do a ɛna ɔba maame no wayɛ sei na nka maame no wɔ maame no a anaa wo a woka no wɔyere ne awɔ akumsia nti ka bɛka saa asɛm wei ndc deɛ moyɛ no deɛ me sɛ akwatua no yɛbɛkɔ no yɛbɛsrɛ mpp foɔ mpanifoɔ mo state ɛne yɛ nkɔfoɔ vigilantes no nyinaa mo ne ɔmo nkasa ndc foɔ ɛsɛ yɛboɔ mo bi papapapa
dabi akafia no dabi mesrɛ akafia bɛda ase pa sɛ ɔba ɛwae hello good evening mepakyɛ hɔ na mene no kasa yi
weyɛ wo nua Felix Bell ahenkwa yelɔkɔbɔ
meda ase Felix yɛtie wo
meda ase prof nyame hyɛ mo mobɔ adwuma
yeah okay
na prof ɛnokorɛ no ne sɛ ɛm sɛ me nua ndc ne bɛkasa no ɔma wo kan quotation bi
aye
na quotation na ɔkaeɛ no
hello Ujina line also. Hello. Okay, kwana sabra bio line akati. Hello. Mba jwana mene ne kasi.
Mediane Afrifa mkate African taman.
Ay, Afrifa. Ayo, Afrifa mitiyo.
Yo, prof moni adwuma pa wo yabo man Ghana.
That's it.
Nyankopon hia no ma onyansa ne adwen kase abre ne abrebia.
Amen.
Eto so bi ma me nchia me krom hina sante achimba nso na na chi abebio. Ba ko di afa one ne mpanimfo nyina.
Yo,
prof we. Ade ba ko bi ni se me de course nyina no. The course nyina no. Me di problem enfonso on bo MPP for. Ade say what was I'm going to make him job with some media with that. Of him say MPP so boys you because your Ghana had MPP. I can't say we have the men. If you do Sabre and a men na MPP one, you hear warm. A do Sabre now who say, Obia Kamaba person or the Bowa. Now was sick and wa. Was you doing your air with Jamen Yami? Who Jamen Yanko phone? Yanko phone him come over Baba Chaka. They say, Mammy, a bone on the summer bonopa. It's immediate. The main person we catch MPP in Penfone say, so I'm per se, a thing that you could be only a dumb and more to Abama MPP. I could get your move and started. One month from men go on more, they can't so be welcome. Nemo will be done what said Basintlare or Basintel, a cat of it's almost like no, so I can all my neck and you'll be a neck.
May I say pass by? Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Maybe I can say,
maybe I told me who you are. One of them can say
Mediani Roman father, the white cages.
Roman father
was ready, but my baby more, I can say, I went to memoir.
May I say,
me, not the war, I was. Me tied and the Kuma, they were out with traffic light. Now, my Mr. Quenya, so now, Menchia, the dog cappuccino, I feel a lomas, honorable Kennedy, compre Japan. Now, Menchia, honorable as that for your market, as so have found out what a year revestment at the Panu on Obunia. Eh? You can't question it to go will be by your jatty fufu. And your mark was so since all this time. I buy less near Bronco for near you with it's the Bennett will be cast. On says a NDC or what bear money to know. Yenya you. Yebwa. Or Gosuka. My uncle will say, Ghana Flona or Butuaman. Or do our Yandy to move on your people. The over Yano. And what is any better ever. So what you say?
Make your power. All right, me that say. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, Felix Bell, Masaba.
Yo, Felix, yet you.
Yo, Mamin Twas and Amincha, Honorable Kennedy, or Kumper, or any at Japan. The incoming flag bearer. Now, Mincha Felix Yaudankwa. The West, incoming first vice. Atema Americano. Who kind quotation EVA, Yeno? Atema Minian kind any quotation in court. Any quotation and copra.
Za.
The Unya Quanya. Na ukasa enya wadwen se wonya kwanya ko tran radio so na woni bibia o na anasa sabi wona wonya fa che obia na wo mo wo fie a o mu tie wo no sabi ebi wonya fa kra che wo enti se asemba enura na se yesi enye na wa condemn ye na sa afei tumi na bedi wo nsem na wo so wa ko ye saa de na sebi unyansa no wai unim bie no ewe because obi ye no ukasa tiae se enye but all kasa no o say aba ye di bot echi no eno na ye di boban that you say the see ye no ufu aso
okay yana sifo
penis mahama so kan kire ye say party a ye violence a e engine ono na kan enti saa niam we a esisi no ni enya me nwanwa akofo ni ade ni wie ye no omu ko gina jubilee house enim bo se
there be Sarfo nyere David
yo suma ye no
me das waka wase mawi na ba dia we kan fa ho de hello good evening
evening prof Pacho
apom ye o Pacho wana me ne kasa yi
Pacho
Auntie Janet Boshe yo yeti yo
ni de ni e ko su ni na uche Kenya ebinumu di ebusu kaka on radio so no eya na ya ho mete enti mesre ye mame hawa se oyo bad time omo ye ni yoduomu no tetia bibi ye mame that okada mu a omo fi na busia enti omo ye ni yoduomu no me pane show se mi ye ndi sini kwampo na oye me mame oye Ghana ni oye ye nyina ya busia on june no ho manu kwa ka akosia ho no tani baby no onda not that opportunity panel on fampai on supporting panel no mo ye ni yodium ena ye da kopa ni ye da kopa no mo ye mbe ma o omo njina omo busia ho nti ye ma me mesre asen to journalist na omo po no ye besre
yeah
mo ye pa mo ni na acho mo journalist ye pa bo cho mo ni aban no nkasa na mu na ye no mu ye adwuma wo man yi mu because mu ma anu ni mu bia ye nyo bia wo man yi mu it is amu nso na mu beboa ye no wo befu mu a enu se ya ho mese omo mu di saboni no aban wo mu ndi won chi omu nyina nku mu na omu ba obi nso di besia nyansa
okay yes that's say so much ready so I think we'll pick about a call more and then say bye to the calls. 0260-196064, 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me Pacho wana me ne kase. Ya ho ye pa. Pacho ho ni?
Media ne Richard Adium. Na opa kase.
Me Pacho Richard Adium wo kase for him.
Me Pacho me kase for Achimota myself.
Achimota myself. Yeah, that's it you.
Yeah. Opa kase. Yanka no kranchire mu eya me yase ndc ni to or testify afa eya ni te TBCC eti eya ni te say asisa send it for no mo abe mo se no mo betina te yiro bia mo ka so ma omagu no mebo
yeah
eti tina en condemn sa ade ni sie no me ko ebia me nim so no ho bi pa bia en condemn sa ade ni nye Sano man ese tuja dema hayesu obi nkoto obanchere na adwe imi se mekokoto ma CPP se meto ma NDC se meto ma MPP se meto ma ho eye me right etini ye say se the watching enye mechus enye di intimidate di sano man eti enu enye no enye esi nu a esi da no esi nani si oti kenye so si wen enye na enye den condemn ni enye na wonye se amani da so mo sa se mu let by get to percentage be bring to the bank and who ne here say she na bu man na kwan a ewo major roads hospital kan ko fo benya hoto woto na moto na ya bu ya anu na yam dey o se mu bu journalist for me if the journalist want to bone be na ko ya mo bu journalist you know bu bone be come the side is something that piano e be say no obi strong wa ne hu ode no no so e be you awode dey aye do po mo get you your mama me can play so what's the dependence for no money that wa asante read the phone vote and you go madam mama uche vote nya ya you nya 2020 nya what the increment na no so be can afford no money she mo man na mo nya twa asem no
yeah that's it yeah that's it sabu jina abo frɛ yeah but we are coming back in studio but we just have a going I mean call me Uncle Abu Bagman Your last words.
Yeah, let me correct something here. And when I speak the fact, as I know it, then remember the lawyer. Why a very lawyer? The Central Electoral Commission, or 19, or polling station. The Electoral Commission's attention was drawn to something very important. Each pink sheet to be allowed, answer now be valid to be considered. You know, what's the signatures? Three no also do. Electoral Commission signature, MPP signature, NDC signature. That must count pink sheets. No one seven or be no. What do we watch? I'm 37. No 37 no. Okay, there in Kawan 37 nina. No okay there. 18 out of the 37 no. On our dama 3 signatures no. Which means they are valid and they can be taken. But 19 no okay no. In the Electoral Commission, one rep no, the signature you do. But just no can. So the Electoral Commission like is or change the corner. This is the document I also the do. But one can say Electoral Commission no, who signature you do. So how do you accept it when your signature is not?
NSC for me conclude.
Enuntina wakokoye 19 no. Yen chire mu chire Ghana fo. So that is on for tasi wi a. No one can koye there. Obi no chinchin obi ni nsa. Same people decided to contest and so when you probably they could have won. But the one concern there was confusion in their midst. Yero koyanko, no so cost one, no so accept. No 19 is it? Number konumu. So Electoral Commission is 19 and Angasa watch it no because the signature only them 19 no do until accept. That is why I wear 19 in the view. Okay. So that is the point. That's the correction I want to make.
Yeah, that's it. Move back, man. Yeah. Roger, we are going. Your last word. No, you. I know. I'm controlling this. May I be sir? What's the matter? Bio mic. Roger, bio mic. What's the matter?
What's the matter? Ne say. Abochi.
Yes.
Jamaican why na ne say. Yen so violence so. Yen pe violence. Yen NDC as a party. Yen wonjo say ice water. Me see ameti high. Me wonjo pa. But what I say. But say. Uye ade na se etra bibia e wo se ye correct o through the correction no ye betia on ya sign straight you what you say but me nka se oba na oko nya sa encounter no ye right say obi di ye crown ba ko obo no onye NDC ni ofikaswa lawyer nim ofikaswa
ye na si for
na oyono ani nkofo na dia me ya na ye omo secretary no ne deputy no Chris dia no
Chris asen boss ochina obema 1 hour interview
me hwe punches a ogie a wo hwe a we energy anko betumi stand 12 rounds e boxing ring mo pa
ye be dase
enti but me pese me dia sem ba ko bitwa to hwe me pese me asho MPP for say even and there yeti hey ye ka say Ghana for ni na anye elections na ye di ba omia yere even though mahama mpe e di besi ho say wa be wini no obefa oba na ba omia kasanga beto ama mahama
hey dan Chrissy pa de di pebini okay nyehwe me fa
ne say twi no anti
on twi papa
me mabu makasa ma osi me
Roger yo me pa we the main ko ho bebre me ba ye fi asem
quick one
nemo minua ebodie mischief na no o create on na be kire reasoning tia Electoral Commission say obi anye okay say Electoral Commissioner efre na nyina ne omotena in December ton before I declared President Mahama no nyina atena se I go through all the pink sheets akọ parliament akọ kasa aka 3 ebo enenne won say ansan baby they make
it's a public knowledge
the member of your party nso no any koma wudie you see our party leadership no yesre omo say grassroots ne kasa omuntie ohun say akọ didi mu ama enne yesi akọ nto bedwam nanso enam aso brachie sem bia omu yenti na president Kofo Kraba be kasa so they should be very careful
but I say
no share oyena modia tumze si ya ho hye no you want to be maintained as leaders intino most of the top down approach never yes top down approach in the omu kwadwene hu bi no mo fe bottom up emre yen omo ma grassroots for no and determine who should lead.
What's the top down approach?
Madam Yintum.
Medas.
Or Munkonam bottom up. No.
Yo, Abusha for Hadam Rema Kwame to see from a Prof Abochie on behalf of the team, my executive producer Bright Entry, and again our boy who monitored our social media pages for us today, stream live over there, Sarfo Kantanka, and then Patrick. We want to say that we are grateful for the time that you've spent with us this evening live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Uncle